forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video, including the buying or selling of assets, are based on the Elcaro algorithmic model and are intended to demonstrate the functionality of the forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video, including the buying or selling of assets, are based on the Elcaro algorithmic model and are intended to demonstrate the functionality of the forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video, including the buying or selling of assets, are based on the Elcaro algorithmic model and are intended to demonstrate the functionality of the forecasting tool. These actions are not meant to be directly copied. The authors and the Elcaro team are not responsible for any potential losses incurred as a result of using or interpreting the information provided in this video. The information presented in this video is intended solely for educational and demonstrational purposes. It does not constitute individual investment advice, financial guidance, or a call to action. All actions performed by the character in the video
Oh my god. Sorry, I was in a call with my mom. Okay guys, thank you for joining us. Oh my god. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks to everyone. As always, every Sunday we're doing live stream. We're trying to tell you where the price would be, where the price wouldn't be, what the price will do, what we are doing, what our community doing. And the only thing that I'm asking from you, support us with your likes, comments, subscriptions, reposts. And last week, my friend showed me that there is the opportunity to boost the live stream. So he boosted our live stream. Why, my brother? Every fucking live stream he calling me. Why? What the fuck is wrong with him? Like, he's literally texted me like a couple minutes ago, let's have a call after live stream. He calling me every live stream, but that's fine. You can boost our live stream, so we will really appreciate that. The last time he showed me that, what the fuck is that? So today we're gonna talk about beauty. Sonia, what is that? This is some fucking, I don't know, like whatever, who cares? If you have money, you can be whatever whom you want to be. So, guys, thanks, take care, please. We will really appreciate if you're gonna support us with your like, subscription, etc. So let's start, let's dive deep inside to the market. So guys, my friends, first thing, I want to start from the gold, because some people texted me, but you missed with the gold, you missed with the gold, you missed with the gold. So first thing first, if you're gonna go back in time and you will open the end of October live streams, you will see how, I will show you. The end of October will be something like here. You will see how I'm looking at the chart through the same camera and how I'm drawing these lines. You will see how I'm doing that. And then, since I drew this line, the price did movement down, then we go up, then we go... Give me a second, please. I don't know why he's calling me. Give me a second. I don't know, like my brother called me, maybe something happened. Okay, I will text him. He will tell me if everything is all right. I hope, because my parents right now in Spain with my brother, so basically, yeah, everything is all right. So you will see how I'm drawing this line, how I think the price of the gold will react. You will see that. And yes, I'm expecting that we're gonna go lower from here, but also I gave you, hey guys, that's the zone where I'm expecting turnaround. So right now, the only thing that I want to show you, zero updates. I'm not gonna even touch this. We have this 4 lines where I'm expecting the price could be 3,300. No, doesn't work here, yeah? So if I'm gonna go with the 4-hour time frame, it's showing to me that the price right now could do that moment. Even let me draw it like this. I think that we're gonna have in 2 days movement down. That could be something like that. Then we're gonna go up, and down again. I'm not telling you that we're gonna be on the all-time high. I'm not telling you this right now. I think that we could be here. I think that we could be somewhere here. And if I'm gonna go on the daily time frame, the daily time frame will show me. The daily time frame will show me that this is the line where I'm gonna put the red line. So here I missed, but if you're gonna go back for the 2 months ago, you will see how I'm explaining to you. We have a dips with our algorithm, and I don't know when exactly the price would be. You remember that on the streets, on the live streams, I've been telling about 101 and then 83,000. Then I just trying to think when it could be. If I have vision about the price, if I have opportunity to say to you that we're gonna be here, like the last April, you remember I was telling to you 72.69, we go to 74. So it means that in October I telling to people we're gonna be on 101, we're gonna be at 83, but I was thinking that that's gonna happen in December. We go at 101 in October, we go to 80,000, 83,000 in November. So it means that I'm showing to you, hey guys, that's my opinion where the price could be. But you here, not just because of my opinion, because of this insanely system, which showing to us when the price will stop, when the price will turn around. So while we're using this, and we're gonna take a look on the daily time frame that we have bullish divergence, why I was so pretty sure that we're gonna go down, And if we're gonna take a look here, forget about this. If we're gonna take a look here, it's 2.5% movement down. It's not the big movement. It's definitely not $3,300, which I'm expecting, and that could be in April. If you're gonna go here, on this post, unfortunately, the TradingView deleting all my posts from May 4, 2025, we've been telling to you by here. I can show you exactly the same conversation with my brother in February 2023, when the price of the gold is $1,600, and we send in to our billionaire friends, hey, buy right now. You all want me to prove you something, but why we so fucking insanely wasting our time for something that was in the future, in the past? So we've been showing to you, sell here, buy here. Yeah, buy here, sell here. If we're gonna go and we're gonna take a look, yes? So sell, movement down, buy, movement up. This is the 4-hour time frame, But the main thing in this 4-hour time frame that I'm showing to you and I'm explaining to you that, guys, we will see price of the gold 4,000 plus in summer 2025. I'm always doing that because I'm probably feeling the price and the algorithm giving me opportunity to understand when exactly it's gonna happen. So if I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take a look at the daily time frame, I had this divergence, so I was pretty sure that we're gonna go down once again. Why? I will show you. We are on top here, we have a divergence. Take a look at this movement down. We are on top here, we have divergence. Take a look at this movement down. The same I was expecting here. But then the price movement changed. I'm not trading gold. I'm not investing in the gold. I'm going to wait until 2026 with that. But you interested in that, you trade in that. So it means that if I wasn't the guy who's just watching the gold once per week or once per 2 weeks, if I wasn't the guy who showed you this moment, or for example, exactly that moment was given to you, take a look at this, exactly that moment was given to you on the same live stream, last week. Money, money, money. That's it. So if I'm watching the gold on the lower time frames and then I'm going on the higher time frame, it shows to me that the price will go down. Here, take a look at this. You can buy whatever price you want. You can do whatever you want. Just put the golden tees, buy the golden dick for yourself, buy the golden dildo for your family, do whatever you want. Make the golden car. I don't care. I don't care. I'm giving you information, and the only thing that I care, if you're listening to me, good. If not, I don't care. If you press and like, good. Thank you very much. If not, I don't care. I care only about the good things. But then people text me. So these lines, yes, we're definitely not on the 3,300 right now. We're definitely not there. So it means I'm gonna stick to these prices. This line is showing to you buy. No fucking matter what the price would be. From here till here, the price will go up. No matter what the price will be. The only thing that I need to wait while this guy will be at the bottom and this guy will go up. That's it. I have a system. I'm using the system. That's it. If you want to get access to the system while we're giving you this opportunity, the Vitaly Buterin today comment on our post in Instagram. Insane. I start my journey from the Buterin invention, from the Ethereum. I made my biggest money in life from Ethereum. I was mining. The only coin that I was mining 2 years was Ethereum. I bought houses. I bought real estate. I bought a lot of stuff, especially cars, etc. for the Ethereum. And the Ethereum, one of my favorite coins. But I'm not putting all my money on the Ethereum. We've been telling to you, hey guys, we're going down in August 2024, in April 2025. Hey guys, we're not gonna be on $5,000, 48, 4,900. We've been telling to you all the time. And now, Buterin, interesting. So it means if I ever gonna have opportunity to talk to him, why should I waste my time on these live streams where people disrespect us, when people disrespect information? You said that the gold will go down. It will go down. It will go down. If you're using the system, use the system. It's going to help you. Sell here, buy, sell, sell. That's it. Catch the moment. Analyze, do that. So let's go back to the Bitcoin and let's talk about what's going to happen with the price of the Bitcoin. Because for the last week, I made a lot of live streams for the private group. I'm sorry that you are not in the private group. If you want to get access to the private group, there is no free trial as it was for the last year and a half. There is no $100 anymore. We're going to increase price maybe even every month. You know why? Because we can, and because we're given information where people making more than they pay in there. And we always tell to people, don't give your money to anyone. Use this free non-financial advices like vision, like you asking the Google Maps, how can I go to my mother? I want to eat her perfect soup. The card showing to you, go this way in 300 meters turn right. And then you are drive on the full speed in the house, in the cow, in the other car. You're not gonna call to Google, your Google Maps told me to turn right here. I turned right here, but my speed was too fast for the wet road and I damaged my car. Mr. Google, please pay for my insurance. I'm showing to you, hey guys, strict risk management. Hey guys, fixed part. Hey guys, don't put all your money. So if you're losing your money with the gold, I don't give a fuck about this. Don't text me your questions about the gold. I don't give a fuck about gold. I called to my mother, buy now. She called me back, I said sell now. She made profit, she gave her profit to her grandson. She is right now in the Spain. My grandson, hello, I'm your grandmother. Here is the money from the gold. We just bought this price, we just sold this price. That's it. I hope that my mother has the type of accent. She's talking to her grandson, to my nephew like this. So please be patient and listen, because I'm not doing any conclusions anymore. I'm not gonna waste my time. Maybe from Monday, I'm gonna start marathon of live streams on the Twitch, Kick, TikTok, whatever. So we're trying to give a lot of information, and in our public group, you can see what I delete from here for the previous week, what I'm showing to people, what's gonna be here, what's gonna be here, and what's gonna be here. So right now, we are in profit from the short positions. Where is that? Show me at least $6,000. Mr. Andrew, show me $6,000. So where is that? The first, you need to see the second one. I will show you the second one. The second one, here is another phone. So take a look at this. I'm putting this phone down and I'm opening, I already fixed part of the positions. So here is $1,600 and here is $1,300. And this phone already fixed it 25% already. This phone only on the trailing stop. So it means that while I'm gonna do live stream, if something gonna go wrong, I'm gonna be in profit. That's it. I'm trying to show you, we're trying to educate you, we're trying to prove you something. I mean, I'm so fucking exhausted and tired of proving you something. So I'm gonna say to myself, Andrew, stop doing that. We need to talk about the price. So let's go back to the price because I need to clear my fucking chart. So that's the thing that I give to the people in the private group. That's the thing, that green line was given to you in the public group last week. That red line was given to you in the public live stream. The same live stream last week was given to you, sell, movement down. Here, the same line was given to you. So let's stick to these two lines, yeah? Everything that I was expecting, yes, I'm still expecting price here, but only 2 days ago I figured out when the price will be here. The price would be here at the beginning of January, period. The price could be on 98,100 here at the end of December, but I think that, you know what, I'm gonna do that. So either it's gonna be here or the same, but 105, the same. So the last live stream, you receive the things that the price wouldn't be here until... I need to do the screen. Sorry for that. Okay, let it be this. Let it be this. Okay. Okay. So 12, we're not gonna be here, yeah? Deleting. 12, we're not gonna be here. We're not here. So right now we have additional information about the price wouldn't be on 19. I think, yes, that's, no, where is that? I'm gonna update. You know, like, I truly believe that you're gonna press like right now, you're gonna support me, you're gonna feed my ego with your likes, comments, etc. I'm gonna tell you where the price wouldn't be until 19. And right now, the only thing that I want to do is to show you this picture. This picture. So Japan rates, yeah? And here we have March, July, yeah? If I'm gonna go with the Telegram channel, I'm sorry, this post was made in Ukrainian Telegram channel, and today I show it the people in the Facebook. So take a look at this. 22nd of July. 22nd of July, we're giving people information about 5th of August. And we're giving the same information people about 6th of August. This is the screenshot. You cannot make up the screenshot. It's impossible. So here's 22nd of July, we're showing to people that the price of the Bitcoin and it will go down until 5th. Right now, you know, like 99% of the people, they discussing what already happened with the price. In TikTok, YouTube, whatever, they discussing. So, oh yeah, today, my condolences to the people who died in Australia today, early in the morning on the celebration of Hanukkah. It's not what happened in the world, except Russia. Let it be there. Like, the whole fucking bullshit there. But if somebody gonna tell tell me that today someone was shot in Australia and that's the price going down. You fucking keep. If I'm gonna fuck any other girlfriend, then I'm gonna come back to my girlfriend and I will tell her, oh, I fucked her because the new movie. Oh, I'm sorry, I fucked her because she was like basically poor. That was my investments in her life. So anytime when people trying to explain why something happened, I'm looking at this like, oh, thank you very much. Why smartest people in the world didn't tell us what's gonna happen? So this person who posed this bullshit showing to us what's happened when the Japan rate hikes, because Japan holds the biggest amount of bonds United States, yeah? So drop, drop, drop. And right now, 19th of December, I've been talking about Japan for the last 2 weeks. So right now, at the same been talking about the MSTR, where is the MSTR, since April. And people talking about this only for the last 2 weeks. So Japan, yeah? Here, we show to people 22nd of July, and then they drop in, oh, this crash was because of Japan. But the best thing that I noticed today, when the Buterin texted in a comment, take a look at this. 22nd of July, we showing to people, sell August 2025. What the fuck? And it shows us by November 2026. So how long we've been telling, how long we've been talking about November 2026? Just let me know how fucking many times more should we talk about November 2026. So just mark my words, if it's gonna happen, you've been prepared, you've been told, like right now somebody telling to you it's gonna happen. So why the hell I'm on the green wallpaper? Why the hell circle is green if I'm in the short position and I'm expecting that the price will go down? I will show you, I will explain you, so back to seats. First thing first, we have this bottom here. Yeah, it shows me 15. Since last couple of weeks, you all have information that 17 plus minus 2 days. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this line on 17 and I'm gonna put here plus minus 2 days, 17th. The next week, I will show you, hey guys, you've been prepared. When exactly we need to buy? When exactly we need to buy? Let's say, when this guy was at the bottom, this is the first trigger, and the second trigger is our daily time frame. When the daily time frame will turn around or will be at the bottom, we are approaching the CM1, we in the red, we have the divergence. Take a look at this. The divergence appears. You know who received this information about the divergence? You know who? People in the private group. Link in bio, link in description. So this down was notified. I'm showing to people, hey guys, I'm some kind of drug addicted to the trading. So I'm doing everyday trades. And I'm showing to people like, I need to stop doing this. I need to stop doing this. But still I'm showing like profit, 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 profit. I'm opening, I'm selling, I'm buying, I'm doing. But I need to stop doing. I need to start showing people only information. Only information. Zero trades, zero signals, zero additional things. Only information. So right now, price going down. When am I gonna buy? 17 plus minus 2 days. That's it. Easy. For me, it's easy. I truly believe that for you, it's easy the same. Like right now, you can turn off this and go back to your, you know, why I bought this thing? Back in the 2024, I get one. Then in 1 month, I sold it. I bought new one because I need to make content. I need to create content with that thing. So, and also I love to wear these glasses while I'm flying somewhere. So we have the daily time frame. As soon as daily time frame will turn around, what will happen? Probably 15. But we also have one more opportunity. Take a look at this, 15. And then we have one more bottom on 22nd. But I'm not gonna talk about 22nd. 15, 17, 18, 16, 19, 17 plus minus 1 day. Where is the 17? Here. It's top, yeah? Who gonna buy on top? So it means that right now, of course I can open position. Just I'm always showing to you how you can manage your so I'm opening the exchange right now, not looking at the price. I'm not doing anything. I'm not gonna go on the lower time frame. I don't care about this. I'm just gonna show you how you can. For example, I'm gonna put $100. For example, you put $100 in the Bitcoin, in the Ethereum, and Solana. Done. Showing to the private group my gambling account. Gambling account less than for 1 month, almost double the amount of money on the account. I'm showing people how I'm trading only 3 assets. Only 3 assets. I will show you right now the statistic of this account showing to me less than in 30 days. Less than. You see the small red there. There was 2 positions which was fixed in minus 20 cents because of the funding fee. My bad. And the one position Zcash was opened accidentally, because when you have a lot of accounts, you're doing that. Sometimes you like, okay, what account is that right now? So I opened Zcash accidentally. So right now also I have on this account $400, $200, and $100. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put the trailing stop Bitcoin on the Solana, for example, 1.5 trigger price, and the Ethereum. Ethereum will be, let's say, something like $30 trigger price. So it means that even if right now I'm gonna fix part of this position, should I do this or not? Probably not. But I definitely, give me a second please. For our, yeah, I need to wait. I'm not gonna close positions right now, and I'm not gonna open long positions on the gambling account. I open on the Bluffin account 3 positions for $100 right now, and I will show you how to make $300 and buy yourself, I don't know, like something for $300. So that's how I'm acting. If the price will go absolutely insanely down, I'm just gonna scale positions. I'm just gonna put $100 more for the cheaper price in the long. I'm gonna increase the risk, but I'm gonna be in the bigger profit when the price will turn around. So what do we have with the 15 minutes time frame? Yeah, I open position, the 15 minutes time frame shown to me, the divergence, the went down. So it means that the price will go lower right now. Where I'm expecting price right now, Andrew expecting, not the algorithm. Algorithm showing us the timing. Where Andrew expecting the price? Here. Let it be the white line. And here. So Andrew expecting price here. Yes? It means that from here, I can start opening this Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever position without any other analyzing. If the price go in here, guys, the same from previous live streams, could be here 15, 17, 19. Could be here. It means that I'm going to scale my position. I do not expect price here. Not right now. But guys, just one yesterday I have this like couple days ago I show it to the people in the private group what I'm expecting. We're gonna go up, how we're gonna go down. Yeah, forget about this, you this. So this right now what we're talking, what we're looking at. So friends, I'm expecting that for the next 1, 2, 3, 4 days we're gonna go lower. No matter what country will do, no matter, people will expect that the price will go even lower. So basically close to 19, people will be afraid, more afraid than they are afraid right now. I think it's something like 22, 23, fear and greed index. People will be more afraid, and probably people will open more and more short position because we are in the bearish market. Oh my God, Michael Saylor will be liquidated. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So if we're going down here, then going up here, yeah, the first stop. if we're gonna be $100,000 here, it means that the moment here, 29th of December, right before the new year, the movement down here wouldn't be insanely big. People also will start to afraid. Then we're gonna have one more top. So basically the daily time frame showing to me what it shows to me last 3 months. Why I'm talking about 3 months? Because we can take a look on the May, we can take a look to July. Just go and check all the information, the TikTok, all these videos in the YouTube, in this YouTube channel. So we've been talking about this before October. Maybe we've been talking about January since summer. Do your own research. So I'm expecting price here at the beginning of January. I'm expecting price higher than 101. That could be 105, 110, 118. Take a look at this. So here we're just gonna add January, the thing that I posted here, and here the same. I'm tired of analyzing the price. And people in the private group, they knew this. So what I'm gonna wait. So either we're gonna be here, here, or here. But I'm 99% sure that in the next week, we're gonna turn around and we're gonna go up. And I'm gonna have 0 short positions. Maybe I will have like 10% short position from my long position, just for one more manipulation. Why the hell the cover of this video looks like the Pearl Harbor? Because the Japan will be the reason for the manipulation from United States. Mostly people in United States will lose their money. Because United States are fucking rich country and people are insanely, mostly. Who's there? No offense. I'm talking about everyone. I'm talking about the people who's like, I'm gonna make trades. Yes, I'm gonna buy this coin. That people like everywhere. I'm the Braveheart, the Mel Gibson of the stupid people. So I'm not trying to put you in the short positions right now, because I'm in the short positions from 91, 92, $90,000. I'm telling to you that as soon as possible, I'm gonna close my short position. I'm gonna open bigger long positions. So I'm gonna expect the price before January. The first stop will be 98,100. Then we're gonna have correction on the 4 time frame. Then I'm gonna expect price at the beginning, first week of January, something like the first week of January. I want to see price 105, 106. If we're gonna stop there, it means that we can go up to lower 70, lower 80. So this moment, be afraid of this moment. But also, just for your consideration, just for your information, that huge move down could start either here, or here. I'm pretty sure that the May and March, take a look at this, March and May, you can count how many times we've been talking about this, March and May. That's going to be the next bottom of the market. And yes, I will say this out loud. On March and May 2026, there is a huge probability that we see price lower than $60,000, even higher than $25,000. So the range will be basically 25-60. That's my opinion. If it's not gonna happen, it means that I'm not gonna buy for that price. But one more thing. Too many people right now thinking, talking, I don't know, like people in the market all year, all the time. They put in people in buy the dip. So I'm just fucking tired of buying the dip. When to sell this dip? How many dips there's gonna be? 3 bottoms, 4 bottoms, extra bottom, Black Friday bottom, New Year bottom, every bottom, like October, Pumpwember, Fucktember, whatever. Like always the same. They just blah blah blah. You're following this bullshit guys who's making manipulation, who's selling you something, whatever. So only right now you can buy my PDF where I said all perfect coins which I'm buying for the 2026 What I'm gonna do with the PDFs since 2022? What I'm gonna do with all your PDFs, with all your fucking opinions since 2023, 2024? You just buying. One lifetime opportunity. The XRP will never be lower than $3. The Ethereum never be lower than 4,000. The Ethereum, even in our community, so many times people texting me, no way. Never see Ethereum lower than 3,000. No way, never than 2,500. And then we tell them to people buy on 1,400. It's fucking insane. Yeah, I made mistake. I sold too early. But still, it's not. It was big. The buying for the Ethereum was 7 Ethereum for $1,400. It's not the big money. I'm doing tradings. I'm doing manipulation. I'm doing investments. I'm not the guy who's fully trust in the Ethereum like it was in 2016 when I started doing this. There is not gonna be X10 for Ethereum. There is not gonna be even X probably 5 or X2 for the Ripple in the close time. So even if I'm gonna open this thing, let's say weekly time frame. Nope. Ethereum. Nope. Solana doesn't have 2 weekly. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Nope. Ethereum weekly time frame. Nope. Bitcoin weekly time frame. Nope. Why I even need to read the opinion of the person who's been in the market for 15 minutes, 15 hours, or 15 weeks? Even if you are in the market for 5 years or 10 years, you are in the market. I don't know, you're fucking Satoshi Nakamoto. Why I need to listen to you? If you are the person who invents something for free, basically for free, you mined the $1 million, the million Bitcoin, and you're not selling anything. So for me, Satoshi Nakamoto is just the fucking Muppet show. It's just a fraud. There is Satoshi Nakamoto wallet. Who said that? There is a wallet. Okay, there is the blockchain which shows us that 1 million Bitcoins there. But how retarded you should be not to sell. Every time when you have X100, X1000, X10,000, I'm the guy who live in the real world. I need something. I need this bullshit glasses. I need this cameras, lightings, phones, etc. I'm the guy who live in the real world. I need to feed myself. I need to feed my family. I need to pay the bills. So it means that I'm not gonna fully trust to the MicroStrategy or to whatever who tell it to me that that's what the price will do. Buy the dip, I'm buying dips, but I'm not forgetting to sell the high, because the next dip will be deeper. Even if the dip not gonna be deeper, the same with the ICP, I will show you. The same with the ICP. We're telling to people what's gonna happen all the time. We sold here, we sold here, then I start to buy back. And in that line, yes, I was expecting we're gonna go higher. Expecting that we're gonna go higher, but still the main thing here is from here we're selling, and then only we can catch the movement to buy. Still 2.4. If I'm gonna go with every asset, I'm showing to people when I'm expecting the price and where I'm expecting the price. So timing and the prices. You put in the limit orders or you're not doing this. So basically, guys who's just buying, explain. If you're buying all the time, I don't know, you have a salary or you have a business, you have a cash flow, you're just buying. And when is gonna be the time when you're gonna sell, for example, $1 million, yeah? You expecting that you're gonna sell your Bitcoin for $1 million to whom? If everybody just buying. Yes, of course, I understand how it works. If somebody buying, there is who's selling. But who can prove me, not explain, prove me that there is now one except the huge Satoshi Nakamoto wallet? Like 1 million from 20 million mined coins, yeah? Like it's 5% assets and people so fucking... The Germany selling, this guy selling, MTGOX selling, this guy selling, and what? They just putting you the pattern in the head that no matter who gonna sell, the price will bounce back. So you should buy lower than $100,000. This is the last opportunity. I'm telling you, there's gonna be opportunity even lower than $20,000. It's just the question of the time. And I'm not the guy who just, okay, wait, well, we're gonna be many thousand. No, I'm doing this daily. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So they create the Satoshi Nakamoto wallet. They show into people, they like always the finger pulls, yeah, like Satoshi Nakamoto could wake up any minute and he gonna sell. The huge whale from the era Satoshi Nakamoto just sold $1 billion in the Bitcoin and the price is higher. The MicroStrategy boat, the BlackRock boat, the fucking bullshit country or whatever, buying, the price only going lower. The whole institutions buying. Oh my god, all previous cycles, October, November, December, only PDD party. But somehow you are on the PDD party, but you're not holding the fucking Johnson's baby oil. You like, we're really going to the moon? Really? Yeah? Oh, why you need oil? Like that. The market doing that type of things with you. And you still like, buy the deal. So that's why, my friends, I'm pissed off as fuck. I can't even explain you how I'm pissed off of everything that's happening in the world. Why the hell you, me, other people should be poor? Why there is the money? If there is not gonna be money, there is not gonna be free on the whole court. Everybody gonna drive the Lamborghini. No. No. Not everybody gonna drive the Lamborghini. Not like, I'm not playing golf. I was one time on the field when I was doing the shooting back in 2011 and one time on the field here in the United States 2 years ago. I'm not gonna go playing golf. It's not because the money. I just don't give a fuck about the football, whatever other. How many people is there? Everyone wants something from there, but there is too many people struggling from salary to salary. That's why I'm pissed off. Because we are spending our time, quarter of our lives on studying the system which was invented right when slavery was finished in Lincoln. We're gonna finish the slavery, we're gonna raise the new slaves. Who gonna clapping? Oh my god, freedom of speech, freedom of actions. Yes, yes, yes. What the fuck is that? We study for 10 years, then we going like we're doing some kind of crazy job. Yes, please, my boss. Oh, boss, please rise my salary. Oh, because there is the inflation rising and I cannot afford even sneakers right now. Please, yes, boss, yes, boss, yes, yes. Skibidi and this Turkish guy with the fat belly. Like that type of the content which making money right now. The girls, the guys, the stupid content. And then people just spending money. That's it. Buy the dip, buy the dip. How the fuck people can afford to buy the dip? I already with these dips. I already bought everything and we just going lower. So every time when you listen from some person in your circle, in your community, in whatever, in your phone or in your TikTok, we will never see price here. There is some kind of like, the guy looks like monkey, like, yeah, until the end of the year, the XRP will cost $1,000. I'm fucking seeing him every fucking day. Fucking babuin, I don't know, like the guy from Mesozoic era. XRP will cost this type of money. Why? It will not. Period. I can bet my ass, I can bet my this, I can bet my eyes, I can bet my heart, I can bet everything in my life. I'm not the gambling person, but I can tell you it's not gonna cost even $10 until the end of the year. Impossible. But we definitely could have opportunity to see price lower than $1. And every time when someone telling to you, oh, this is it, we will never see price of the Solana lower than $200. Guys, if we're gonna go back here, we've been telling to you, just fucking try to find the previous live stream. We've been telling to you that the price will be lower than $100. From here till here, we've been telling to you. Go back and find the live streams, March, February. I was sitting in the same place, but without the desk, without the screen. I've been doing this streams. Hey guys, the price of the Solana will be lower than $100. So why the hell somebody telling me that it's impossible if it's possible? Take a look at the dot. Take a look at everything that you are buying. Take a look at the old bullshit, like the NFT. NFT, it's the biggest fucking bullshit in the world. I had once an interview with the Ukrainian billionaire. He's a huge boner on me. He has a huge boner. I don't know. Maybe his wife dreamed about me. His kids was named because of me. I don't know why. So he been telling to me, we just bought the NFT for $300,000. 2 or 1 week ago, he gave the interview to the famous comic, to the famous YouTuber comic in Ukraine, and he said, yeah, the NFT is the bullshit. Why? Give me a second. Why is somebody calling me? We have a call. Bro, everything is good?
Hello?
Yeah, everything is good?
Yeah, everything is good. Are you on the live, right?
Yeah, as far as you like my life, thank you for that, but everything is good. Can I continue?
The microphone.
My what microphone? Okay, I will check it. Give me a second. I will check. Thank you. Give me a second. I will check it. The microphone. Okay, we have this 1 2 1 2. Thank you very much. Everything's good. I'm pretty sure with that. If there is some problems, sorry for that. I'm here. I'm alone. There is people who's helping me to doing these games, and something goes wrong. Something could go wrong. So when the people telling to me that the price will never be there, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm not sure if I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm not gonna pee myself right now immediately. I'm not sure in anything, like zero confirmation in my life. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna die in 15 seconds, like, oh, or something else. And people insanely sure that the price will never be some. So we have the biggest movement down on 10th October, and yes, I've been telling to you, sell 5th, sell 6th, sell 10th. We've been doing the live stream, but Andrew was expecting that the price will go down to 115. But also, I've been telling to you that the price will go up to 125, 126 here. I'm the guy who's been telling to you June, August, October, November. We've been telling about the August for the last year and a half, the whole August. That's it. This is the end of the cycle. Yes, there's still chance to see new all-time high. There is still chance. But in 2026. Maybe in summer 2026. So right now, I can change this type of thing. And that could be, here it's, yes, says January or April. So I'm just gonna delete end of April, July. I'm not gonna delete this. Let January be there. There is probability, but it's so fucking insanely small. So, like, trying to open your eyes on something that's easy for us. But we are not making millions, billions of dollars daily. Because we cannot be the guy who on the hyperliquidity, the huge whale with 100% win rate, open short, we start in the live stream, no matter what the whale did, the price will go up. Everything that you see in the media was made for you to lose your money. That's it. Live with that. If you right now angry in the screen, no, Andrew, no, that's fine. You fuck the screen. You can spill on the screen. You can pee on the screen. Like, I don't give a fuck what you're gonna do with the screen. That's my opinion, and that's life experience. And I see that money is way easier than you think, than I was thinking back in the days. I need... What? So many people calling me Mr. Nick. Bro, I don't know what's happening. Hello, bro. Okay, can I show it? I will, thank you. I love this guy. 2 days ago, we have a huge problem. And I cannot say it out loud, and probably basically you will never hear about the details of this problem. We have a big problem, and my friend called me and said, hey, we need to do the ABCDE because we're doing a lot of trades. And in my life, my best friends always came to me, or I came to their lives through the business. It's almost impossible to do business with the friends, but it's the best way to find the best friends in your life if you make money, if you're honest, because the money is the fundament of the honesty. You're not gonna cut the tree where you're sitting at. So you're creating the relationship. I'm gonna show you right now, immediately. My friend just called me. Bro, I don't have the of screenshots. Bro, results for the group. Show them what we did with you. So my friend called me 2 days ago and he said, let me help you solve this problem. I was like, no, please, please, I'm begging to you. He said, no, you, my friend, and the person that have problem is our partner. I'm not helping him like the partner, or like the friend, helping him like the partner. So there is always difference between the communication, between the actions, between the things that you are doing. But as long as you are an honest person, as long as you're an open person, as long as you are doing something and not just sitting and holding, like how many? $400,000. Take a look at this entry price. Yes, I know my friend he has the huge deposit. He has the huge deposit. The entry price. The entry price. And it doesn't mean that the biggest thing in this, it doesn't mean that there is no losses. Because we all humans. I also heard about the XRP, the Japan, the Michael Saylor, whatever whom, and it came to my brains, it go through my, I don't know, my body, through my spine, to my blood, and I was like, what if, always what if, we every day we making decisions, so sorry for such a huge and long age. Sorry for that. I'm open for you, but please, the only thing that you can get from me is that type of the information. If you don't understand something, that because you are not on the same pace, not on the same page, not with the same experience as I am. If we're gonna talk about how they create Apple, Google, Watch, or I'm like, I don't understand. Here, I'm watching on the carbon helmet. I don't know how they create that. Here is the camera, yeah? Someone paid $110,000 for this camera. I bought it. I negotiate the price. I bought it like for the lowest price, like $19,000. I'm not using that. I don't know how they create that. But I and you, we all watched the movies which was filmed on the same camera. For example, Dune. Dune was filmed on that camera. I don't know how they create screens. I don't know how they create this type of things. Like, I don't know. I even don't know. Like, I know the process, but I don't know how to create the glass. We all knew something, and we all exchanging the energy. And the energy creating the money, the energy creating the houses, the energy creating kids, energy creating everything. Energy creating news. And the news manipulating you. So let's go back to the chart because it's even starting to get here. I don't know why. Yeah. She goes somewhere probably. Let's go back to the chart. Please be prepared. I'm gonna show you right now. Maybe it's gonna be the last live stream this year. Maybe it's gonna be the last live stream for you. Maybe it's gonna be the last live stream on the YouTube. As soon as you're gonna see the huge amount of streams on the TikTok, Twitter, etc., it means that Andrew choose not to show you $3,000 profit, to go millions and millions of dollars outside the market. Who am I not to take the money? If the Italian writing the comments to our video, why should I find a way to communicate with him and tell, hey dude, look, here is the year and a half of the public information about Ethereum. Maybe you want us to tell this information to you. Only small amount of Ethereum will help us to do this. And we just taking the access from the algorithm from people. Who knows? Who knows? So I have a boner on the profit of my friend. I'm so fucking happy. I'm so fucking happy. But we always talking. I want to say one more story about him. He calling me. He's in the office. He's the in Ukraine we say trudogolik. He's working all the time. He can sit in the office till 4 a.m. He can sit in the office whole day. He was always texting me, bro, I'm driving to the office. I'm in the office. I'm in the office. So he sit in the office, and there is a lot of people and a lot of friends. The Solana cost back in that type of conversation, it was something like, yeah, it was here. The Solana goes up. We're making, it was August, September, insanely profitable months. And he called into me, Andrew, bro, I know that you are not gambling. I want to make a bet with you. I was like, what type of bet? He said, you telling to people that the price wouldn't be 250 for the Solana. Like, we're going to turn around, we're going to go down. I'm telling to you that in the next 2 days, the price will be 265. I was like, no, it's not going to be. The price go up to 250. I was wrong on 1%, yeah? 1%. He was wrong on 5%. But the bet was not that the price will turn around from 150, that the price will be 265. The bet was on the ice cream. I still didn't get my ice cream. Probably I'm gonna get pimples on my face after I'm gonna eat the ice cream. He's the smart guy. He already has a lot of achievements. And he's not trying to argue with me. He's trying to understand. And as always, months, days, hours after hours, sometimes he's texting me insane thoughts about what the price will do, what the market will do, how and why they're gonna manipulate. The only thing that he's doing, he's spending some times on watching this live stream, on watching live streams. I know that I'm too much. I know. It's way more easier just the kid was born, they cutting this rope from between the belly of the mother and the like they cutting this. In Ukraine it's called pupa. So just cut it. Cut the crap always. I can't do this. You know why? Because only 1-2% of the people will understand the things that I'm showing, the things that I'm saying if I'm gonna cut the crap. I need to explain to the people who's tired of their life, who's tired of the working same thing, going same job for the whole life. That's why I'm talking too much. I'm always thinking like, hey, they don't understand me. I need to say more. So enough stories, enough everything. Oh my God, how hot here. Too many lights, too many lights. Bitcoin. Once again, when we're gonna turn around from the bottom, I'm putting mine because I think that we're still gonna have the end of the year, the Santa rally. But once again, as I said to you, there's gonna be the stops. I'm expecting that it's gonna be 98, 100, gonna be 102, 105, and the best that it could be 105, 111, and then 117, 121, something like that. I need to do slightly lower, like something like that. Here I need to do one of, yeah, this one will be the biggest one. Let it be the biggest one. So anywhere here, I'm pretty sure that we're gonna have impulse up. I'm pretty sure that people are gonna be fucked up. I'm pretty sure that the price could be $80,000 in the next couple of days. Sorry for that. I'm pretty sure that the price could be lower than 70, higher than 60, either in the middle of January or closer to May, March, the end of January. So if I'm gonna do that right now, if we're gonna talk about this, from here, spring crash, from here crash. Okay, now spring summer bull run. This one, my friends, this one, I think that would be insane. I need to do that one. I think that this will put the price in the all-time high. And you know, I need to do that. I think that that's gonna be something like, still no 150, still no, as it's here, impossible. 150 is impossible, but we could have price 128, 131, 137. So this is the spring bull run, which I'm expecting to be. But once again, my friends, if the price will stop with the Bitcoin and the dominance will go down, so it means that the bull run will be only with the altcoins. There is a lot of video, a lot of live streams about how and when I'm expecting to see the alt season. Is definitely not going to happen right now. They need to take more money. They need to put you in the state where you selling your assets because you're tired, you're afraid, I don't know, like you cannot hold anymore. So that's the thing interesting for me in the 2026. That's the movement down. Why this guy looks like that? I don't know. I need to do something like that type, yeah? I need to do that type, and we could see price here. Yeah, I think we could see price here. Easy target. In 26, I don't think that we're gonna be here right now. I think that we could see on the 4-hour time frame, we could see this moment. So I'm just gonna move this line like here, yeah, if you don't mind. When we said big move. So that could be manipulation. That could be manipulation. If the Japan will drop the bad news, the screenshot that I showed here, that could happen, this one. That could happen, my friends. Just imagine. Why shouldn't that be? But be prepared to see, because most of the people right now thinks that if the price will be somewhere like 68, 75, 81 once again, we definitely in the bearish market. We definitely in some crazy market like roller coaster market. That's not the bull market. That's not the bear market. That's the fucking vodka market. I don't know, like the jacuzzi market, like whatever word you're gonna put here. Whatever. I don't understand how we can do this market. Trump market, bullshit market, market, taking money from people who don't have patience, who don't have experience, who don't have risk management, who don't have strategy, who don't understand what they are doing. All this 20% up, down, up, down, up, down, like the fucking cardiogram of the runner, like that. What's gonna happen next? I don't know. But we're trying, guys. There is always the chance, like, I'm gonna go to McDonald's. Okay, what do you want? I'm not done with this market. I'm not done with the trading. I'm not done with the investments. We've been telling to you that we're gonna invest. Our company, we're gonna invest enormous amount of money, all amount of money in November 2026. Yes, if we have right now this type of movement up, down, then up again, that from here, from June, July 2026. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, Mr. Bitcoin. Yes. Here and here, the whole TikTok, the whole news, the whole Facebook, whatever. To the moon. But unfortunately, every time when people talking about the bull market, we're going down. Every time when people talking about the market, we're going up. The only thing we need to do is to put a little bit more pepper, yeah, so pepper, like, like, I'm gonna make the steak salty. They just given some kind of news, given some kind of bad news, aliens, Russians, whatever whom. We still don't know who shot people in Australia, but we know the country that responds on that. Israel. How many bad or for someone who's been shorting good things happen for the last 2 years because of the Israel? Oh, that's why the price go down. Oh, thank you very much. Oh my God, it's so bad that someone died. It's so bad that this building was destroyed. Oh my God. What can I do with my Bitcoin? Why it goes down? Oh, that's why. That's it. It's like the music. Like they playing the guitar. While Ukraine. War in Moldova. Civil war in United States because we're gonna fuck all immigrants, etc. It's just the music, just skip it. Next song, next song. Where is the money song? Where is the song about beautiful sunrise? Where is the song about huge wet girls? I can show you, I have the glasses. It's still there. I don't know, I really don't want to talk too much because in my vision, in the vision of the algorithm, nothing changed. Still the same, like, you know, I'm like a parrot. All the time, like literally the same thing. The price will go there, the price will go there, the price will go there. If you're trading the higher time frame, stick to the plan. 21st of November plus minus 1 day, the first week of January plus minus 1 day. That's it. Just hold your fucking long position. If you're doing like I'm doing, friends doing, like our community doing, trade away. Be prepared. Like if somebody gonna call you, for example, just imagine you are the high school kid. Somebody calling you, we have a street fight behind the school. You're not gonna go there by eating ice cream because somebody fights you in defense. You're gonna go there strengthening yourself. You're gonna go there preparing your, maybe taking some stick, maybe taking some knife. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna kill you. You're gonna put your body in the state of, okay, I'm ready. Testosterone rising, other hormone rising, like the hormone of stress, hormone of adrenaline rising. Maybe you're gonna smoke, maybe you're gonna drink, maybe you're gonna punch yourself, you're gonna prepare yourself. That's not the fucking vacation, there is the fight. If you go into the war zone of any country, or you're going somewhere, you're going to the roller coaster with your family, you're not gonna eat 2 meals before that because you're probably gonna vomit. Same thing with the market. Why should I chill like that? Why should I chill like people on the street whom I'm meeting? Like, oh, I will never stop. I was like, okay. Someday there will be 0 players on the market who wants to buy your assets. For example, like with the Luna, for example, like with the Manta, for example, well, like with some assets that nobody wants to buy. When it's on hype, take one. You need more? Where is my credit card? When nobody buying, who cares how long you've been holding your assets? The same, for example, I bought the apartment in Ukraine, and then I was trying for 2 years while it was war in Ukraine and it's still war, trying to sell this apartment, and the price only goes lower. Who cares? I'm not in Ukraine. I don't need this apartment. There is the fucking drones, rockets, missiles flying all over the sky. I'm not gonna live there. I don't need this apartment. I can buy this apartment, I can put money in the market, I can invest this money in something else, or I can buy apartment house here. If anybody wants to buy your asset, it means that you're not gonna make money from this. You're just gonna hold the asset. I'm gonna explain you one more thing. For example, you are a beautiful young woman or man. Yeah? You're selling your body. When you're gonna be 75, you're gonna be active. You're gonna be like, you're gonna look different, yeah? I'm pretty sure that there is not too many people who are gonna pay for this asset. Just leave the ass. It's not gonna happen. Yes, there will be some kind of like different people who, Wagyu, rare meat. There's still gonna be that type of people. Because not everybody wants to play golf, as I said to you. But still, if you hold the beauty asset, if you hold the I don't know, like the body asset. It means that one day there is not gonna be the same amount of buyers on this asset. Same with the laptop, cars, watches, bags, I don't know what. I think we all need time, we all need health, we all need money, we all need food, we all need air. What else? Okay, we can live without food, but still we can put something like to feed ourselves through the vein or through something else. Okay, we can hold some time without water, some time without air. We definitely could live our life without thinking about the future. Like, we don't care about the timing, yeah? Like, we don't care. Like, I have 70 years, I have 40 years. But we definitely all could live without the Bitcoin, without the gold, without the Tesla, without anything else. And when the people not gonna have money to buy these cars, to buy food, the last thing that they're gonna think about, NVDA more than $100. Nobody gonna give a fuck about this. So once again, I still believe that in the next few days we could see 85, 87. There is a huge chance to see 77. There is a huge chance to see 79, 80, 81. I'm so tired of analyzing the price. I'm telling you that the only thing that I need to wait when the fucking yellow line turns around. That's it. Just like yesterday, I go to the restaurant with my friend. He said, "Thank you for opening my mind, for opening my eyes on the trading." A little bit more than a year ago, in July 2024, he came to me, he said, like, I lost my business. Can you explain me how can I fund it? How can I get the access to the money? I showed him, I teach him, I give him opportunities, and he called me maybe a couple of weeks ago. He said, like, I received the first payback from my trading, from my funded account. I want you to invite on the dinner. I was like, yeah, let's go. So I'm sitting there. He and his brother, they ordered the pasta course. I ordered just the pasta, no wine, nothing. Have a small talk. Eating the second dish. I was like, where the fuck is my pasta? And the guy said, yeah, we will give it to you. So the same, people could wait. But I prefer to say, hey guys, where is my fucking pasta? I'm paying for this. If not, that's it. I'm definitely not gonna wait while people just talking about some kind of imaginary profit, imaginary $1 million. Especially you making the hero from people. For example, Andrew Tate, right now talking about the Zcash. I made mistake. I showed you how big was my losses, and this is the only one part, one position. Andrew Tate right now talking about the Zcash, that the future is in the Zcash, in the private assets. Andrew Tate, really? So you're talking about this coin here, in that price range. The same if I'm going to go here. For me, this is the same. They can put price X5 up, they can put price X10 down. They can put from $10, you see here, and the high is $900 for 1 hour. Only 1 hour between this bottom and this top. Andrew Tate has a huge, enormous audience. He's not a trader, he's not an investor, he's the businessman, and he's a good businessman, he's an entrepreneur. He understands what he's doing, and he's doing great. His lifestyle is insane. I never smoke cigars, never. I never tried to smoke cigarettes, so basically I never smoke cigarettes. I want to be tall, I want to be bold, I want to be strong, I want to drive this 75, 85 or 100 sport cars. I want to smoke cigarettes, I want to look good, and just to talk on the camera. Yeah, you understand one rule. That's it. and the money just came to him. So that's why I'm telling to you, maybe in the next couple of months, I'm gonna start doing. Why I'm wasting time? How many people watching this live stream? Oh my God, 2,000 people. What the fuck? What the fuck? Thanks, guy. My name is Andrew. My name is Andrew. Let me introduce you myself. I'm the guy who's doing trading investments since 2013. I started doing trading with the cryptocurrencies since 2016. I'm trying to show it to the people in Ukraine since 2016 in the YouTube. I will show you one thing. I will show you my personal Instagram account, my lifestyle account. This is the trading account. We're doing pretty good. This is my lifestyle account. Before war, I had 220,000 followers here and 330,000 on the YouTube. But then people gone crazy with, why you leave your country? You need to go and on the war zone. I was like, I'm doing great by making money, by paying taxes, by helping people with the weapon, armor, etc. So here we have the highlights. And these highlights, 417 weeks ago, I'm already showing to people. Since 2016, I start buying crypto, I start mining, I start trading. And I'm showing to people about the Ethereum, telling to them, I'm showing them money, I'm showing what is happening. Then I'm telling to people that I'm gonna sell on the $1,000 Ethereum back in 2016, 2017. Then I'm showing how we're drawing money. Then take a look at this, take a look at this. We're going to the 1,000. I will translate you this. I take you to the candy shop, but I wrote it in the Russian language. Then I'm telling to people on the YouTube, I have this video on the YouTube, how I lost $12,000. You know how I lost $12,000? I sold my Ethereum for $1,000 back in December 2017. The price go to $1,400. So I was angry and I hate myself that I lost this 40% movement. But take a look at this next story. I'm telling to people that we are buying Bitcoin, the huge amount. The Bitcoin price, then the Ethereum starts to go down. And take a look at this. Take a look at this. Ethereum $8. You know what I did next? I bought Ethereum, and in 2 years, I will show you. In 2 years, I bought my first pretty beautiful house. I will show you. Since 2016, I'm not doing anything. I don't give a fuck. I'm buying cars, I'm driving motorcycles, I'm living my best life. Not the life that I want, but still pretty good life. Oh, also there is the video when I'm selling my Adam RPG, and on the TikTok, I'm showing to people, I'm selling this in September. I'm gonna put all my money from this and everything else before November. From November, we're gonna go up. I'm showing to people something. I will show you this house. I love this house. I really love this house. Ukraine. Unfortunately, I didn't buy this car. I'm buying real estate. I'm showing people how to be fit, how to be smart. I'm making jokes. This is the joke about our government. This is the joke. You see, like back in the dates, I was pretending. That's really funny if you gonna understand Russian language. I was pretending to be government person in Ukraine who looks like the Donald Trump back in the days. So I was showing people money. I was showing people some kind of fancy lifestyle. I was doing something, and the best thing that I done to myself, I start to invest my crypto. I start to trading. I start to understand the financial literacy things. And where is my house? Where is my house? That's my dogs. Where is my house? Cars. Always help old people. Always help children. I was doing I was giving a lot of help to people. Here's my house. And this post telling that I'm selling my house. Station. For sale, expensive. I don't answer stupid. For more information, inbox me. I'm just, okay, I'm gonna sell my house. I was showing to people how to get rich, not die trying. I was showing to people, this is the car. My father made this car. This is 1968. The whole interior, the whole wheelbase, the whole gear, and the transmission and the engine from Mercedes-Benz. He made it by his hands. He still has this car. This is my house. And I'm asking the people, do you want the room tour? Do you want the room tour? Are you visiting? So I've been telling people how to change your life. And for the last year and a half, I realized that Ukrainians are angry right now. They angry because I leave the country. They angry because I have opportunity, because I have brains, because I understand that I don't want to die somewhere. For what? For government who's trying to steal money from people? For the corruption? For the country which sold to Israel and United States? I have my life to live. I only became the grown-up person. That's it. Why should I? I have so many things to do, and I can teach, I can show people. This information helps people to make money. This information helps people to cure their kids, feed their family, I don't know, buy the good quality clothing to survive winter. The things that we are doing, we are honestly trying to help people, and we're really gonna appreciate if you're gonna follow us. If you see me for the first time, watch previous live streams, just open the chart on the daily time frame. For example, take a look at the dip in August, take a look at the dip in April, in March, in February, in September, in July, in any months. Just choose the dip and go back 1 week, 2 weeks before it happens and watch the stream. You will see how we said to people it's gonna happen. We're pretty good with things that we are doing. It works with any asset, with the gold, with the stocks, with the indexes, with the cryptocurrency. It works with any asset. This system, which my friend invented, he's the smartest person with whom I talk. He's like the fucking diamond. And the things that he's teaching me, the things that I'm trying to show to people, sorry for my English, it's not good, it's not the best, but still I'm trying to motivate people not to cry, not to wait while the government will increase your what? Taxes? Price of the gas? Price of the food? Inflation? I don't give a fuck about funds, funding rates, price of the houses. I care about the opportunities. I'm trying to teach people. Back in Ukraine, I was teaching people financial literacy. I had the community which called Financial Doctor. Inside of this community was only girls. I was focused on showing the girls how you can be better financial person that you are right now. My daughter, if there is ever going to be a daughter, I will teach her how to make money from the market. So if she gonna meet the prince, if she gonna meet the richest person in the world, or she gonna meet just the good guy, and one day he gonna be stupid enough to raise his hand, to raise his voice on her, she not gonna be stuck with his golden cage. We're trying to show this, and we really appreciate people who supporting us. In description, you're gonna find all links on our public channel, on our Telegram group, on our social media. Please, guys, I will show you one thing. Please, guys. This is right now on the screen the only one TikTok that we have. I have the same Instagram name. I use this name because people creating enormous amount of fake accounts. The only Telegram channel I will show you. The only Telegram channel, bro. Take a look at this. Look at this. Realize it, PNL. What the fuck? Hello, my name is Andrew. What do you do for a living? Take a look at this. Solana. Insane. Bro, I will come back to you. Let's not break people's minds. Take a look at this. Pinned messages. My girlfriend Sofia, then my friend. Then the group. The United States group, the public group, and only after that, the Ukrainian group. Unfortunately, I'm spending less time with the Ukrainians. But what I want to show you, our Telegram channel, guys. This is the only Telegram channel that we have. EQUTR. I'm gonna go with the Elcaro. Take this. Channels. Take a look at this. There is the channel, almost 400,000 people and 100,000 people. That's not us. That's the scammers. And you cannot report this fucking channel. You cannot do that. You send in your money. Take a look at this. They just taking our screenshots. That's it. You cannot report this fucking channel. You don't have time to do report. You don't have time to chill violence, spam, other. legal but must be taken down. Copyright, scams or fraud. Scams or fraud. Impersonation. They pretend to be us. And you know who created this? Fucking Russians. My friend realized that. You like just 2 minutes of your time. You go in here, you pressing report, you pressing scam or fraud, impersonation, pretend to be someone else. EQTR. That's it. 1,000 reports and there is not gonna be this. If you're gonna go with the Instagram, the same. If you're gonna go with Instagram, just to the search. You know that, not even go to the search. If I'm gonna open this, for example, what video took the 1 million views? This one, yeah? Take a look at this in the comments. Yeah, I'm going to the comments. Vitalik Buterin, thank you for your comment. Insane. View replies. Take a look at this. It's me. It's me. And now we will try to I will try to find. Okay, not here, but I know how to find this. Notifications. Why it's not showing me all notifications? Okay, the message tab has new look. Okay, if I'm gonna go notification and I'm filter it by comments, there's gonna be a lot of people who's using this face, this photo, this nickname, and they scamming you. They fucking scamming you. They're not scamming me. I'm not stupid. I'm not gonna send money even to myself. Why should I? But people just wasting their money, wasting their time. I'm gonna go with the TikTok. Use QR code. I don't want to use the QR code. Can I do that? TikTok.com. She's a Ukrainian. One of the richest OnlyFans girls in the world. Now we go 80 through. Search. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. How many of them? If you put it from your phone, there is going to be way more. Because we talked to the TikTok team and they said that we're going to try to delete them. Also, through the trader. There was hundreds of people who pretend to be us. 25k followers, 13k, 14k, 15k. That's your problem. That's not our problem. That you not support us, that you're not trying to protect yourself, protect other people, because you're thinking about yourself, and that's fine with me. That's fine with me. So right now, just to show you how great we are, I'm gonna go to assets. I'm gonna go through assets right now. I'm gonna turn off this. I'm gonna go to assets right now with a full 4-time frame. It's gonna be fast. The Bitcoin. Always give yourself plus minus 1 day. So it shows 15. This Ethereum. It shows 14, 15. Solana. We could turn on any time. I will show you on the 1 hour time frame. Probably it's gonna be 16 or 18. I'm gonna go to assets to give you information. Just in 1 month, I will say, go back to the middle of December and watch this live stream when I've been telling you about this date, XRP. So if I'm gonna turn on this, you will see that this is the buying point. From here, we need to go up. The same here, buying point 17.1, buying point here 15. Buying point here, I will put the new mark here. If you don't mind, I will just mark here. The compound 15, dot 15, ICP 17 and 23rd, optimism. The same line, but I'm gonna put it like slightly here, 16, 17. Arbitrum, take a look at this. We're gonna have this line here. ADA. I was expecting, guys, go back in time, you will see how the price will go up, then down. Here we are here. Now I'm expecting movement up for the ADA. All these drawings, I'm not touching the screen if I'm not doing the live stream. Why should I? GALA, let's put it here. ZK, let's put it here. I was expecting price here, we are here. Okay, fine. not this. STRK. I'm not buying this coin. I have this coin. This is my entry price. This is my third buying date, which I give to people here, here, and here. I will skip this coin. GLMR, I sold this coin on the highest price, so I'm skipping this. Pepe coin, the same. Let's leave it here, 16, and the Doge coin, last but not least. We have the buying point here, but even right now, on the 1 hour time frame, let's put 16, yeah? 16. Let's take a look at the gold. The same. Buy here, then 26, then 7. I'm not gonna higher time frames. Russell 2000. My expectation going down, going up, going down. So I think that as soon as possible, maybe even tomorrow, today, we're gonna go down. Russell 2000, I'm showing to you. DXY, I'm showing to you. The lower DXY, the higher the currency. The S&P 500 here, and the next one will be here. I'm just gonna move this line here slightly. If you want to see how I'm showing to people what the price of the NASDAQ, all these drawings, just go back and find these live streams. Just spend, you know, don't trust anyone, especially don't trust this beautiful face, this charismatic, beautiful face who's talking to you from this screen. No, just go back on the live streams, watch, read, take a look how we telling to people, how we feeling the price. This one, the same here and here. Tesla. Oh my god, it's fucking insane. Take a look at this. Pum, pum, pum. So right now, the buying point, I'm just gonna move it here. And the sell, let's say, immediately, right now. But as always, we're selling when this line on top, when this line will be captured. We need to wait. It could be, you know when? It could be 17 or yeah, I think it could be on 17. So I'm just gonna leave this here, and if I were the person who was buying here when we were telling to people, I would sell. The NVDA, the same. I'm just gonna leave this line here. It's 19 still there. I know that it's dirty. I don't want it to update anything. All these lines, you can go back in time and you see how I'm feeling the price, and then how we're giving the Netflix, the same. Netflix buying something. Who said that the price should go up? Who said that? Microsoft, almost entry price. Yeah, the last time was here, 11, 12. If you bought, then just hold until we go there. We're not talking about the Meta. Meta, insane, insane. I'm always having Mark to contact us because we insanely good with the Netflix, Meta, Apple, NVIDIA, and Tesla. So as soon as possible, today we received the first communication with the Vitaly Buterin. I'm still trying to contact Solana team. I'm still trying to contact some other people. I have a friends with the Pavel Durov. I have a friends with the Elon Musk. I truly believe as soon as possible we're gonna contact them, show them the system that we have. The Meta, still nothing changed. Go back in time. Nothing changed here, but I can add this line here, the 15s. If you don't understand what's happening, watch previous live streams. Tesla, no, it's Apple, yeah, Apple. Take a look at this. I love to make posts on the TradingView because TradingView don't give you opportunity to delete or edit the post. Unfortunately, TradingView blocking, I have a conversation with the TradingView. I ask them, why are you doing that? They explain me. I cannot do anything, unfortunately, but they explain me why. So all these posts in my TradingView, they are made once. So if you're gonna go on the 4th of April in TikTok, you will find the video where I'm staying in the hat in the Apple store. Right now, 4th of April, staying in the Apple store of Los Angeles, and I'm saying to you, the price will turn around ASAP. That's not financial advice. So the same TikTok you will see there while I'm staying. I go to buy some headphones, staying in Apple, and I'm leaving the same screenshot on the computer in the Apple store. What's happened with that? All-time high. Bam, bam, zero selling day. For example, I'm explaining sometimes to people what and I doing. People hate Trump. He's the best way and the only way to survive for this country. So I'm explaining to back in the March, the price will go down, then we're gonna go here, and from here we're gonna go down. There is huge explanation, the huge explanation. Post that explanation in the group somewhere here. I will repost it once again. What the price did, we go up, we're going down. And here, my friends, the price will be here. Just be prepared for this, the price will be there. If you are Bitcoin maxi, that's fine. Just try to have money to buy more here. That's it. And I'm explaining to people all the time, the US government will do that. And only the last ones, the Russia, oh my God, the Trump will erase the debts of the United States with the help of the Bitcoin. If you're gonna go on this channel, if you're gonna go with the videos, if you're gonna open the video 8 months ago, if you're gonna go here and you will listen to the conversation with this guy, smart person, insane smart, ex-billionaire, ex-CEO of the billion company. If you're gonna listen to this conversation, this is not long video. You see how I'm explaining to him what's gonna happen with the price and why Trump will be elected for the 3rd term. You will listen 8 months ago how I'm explaining to this person everything that I'm then showing here. Bitcoin, the same. MicroStrategy or Ethereum will be the reasons. In my opinion, we will see one more crash because of MicroStrategy or Ethereum. When I start to tell this April 12th. So it means people who tell about MicroStrategy for the last 2 weeks, they are so fucking late. They are insanely late. And what the price did? We need to refresh. The price up. Yeah, we didn't reach like we reached the yellow line, but I was expecting that we're gonna go lower. My friends, I was expecting if you're gonna go here, 62, 69, 72, 72, 69, 72. Take a look at this. I was expecting 72,000. Sorry for that we dropped to 74. Sorry for that. I'm only human after all. Price go up. That's it. And we're still not crashing because of the MicroStrategy. It will be Apple, Bitcoin, everything. I'm trying to give people. I'm trying to put my words, my vision in history probably. The same with the gold. The price of the gold 3,200. Summer 2025, the gold is higher than 4,000. There is a lot of things, insane amount of things in the media which we are showing to people. The same with the strategy. If you're gonna go back in our social media, you will find like me and my friend, we go to the Las Vegas Bitcoin conference with the huge sign. You're just going on the TikTok. You're just going there or Instagram or whatever. 80 through. You're just opening. Something went wrong. What went wrong? I don't know. Find this guy and you see how I'm trying to tell to the sailor that the MicroStrategy and the Bitcoin will go down. That was in August. Right now, I'm telling to people, guys, take a look at this. I'm telling to people that the MicroStrategy will go up. The MicroStrategy will go up. Don't be afraid about the MicroStrategy. They're not gonna allow to fuck the whole world right now with the MicroStrategy. I cannot give you more information because it's gonna be not fair for the people with the private group. We have a huge community. I will show you. We have a huge community in the private group. This one, 630 people here, and some part of people in that group, like 80 people in the second group, the people who came to the group by Instagram. So it will be not fair to give you all information, but also you can get access to the group by visiting link in the description. Right now, we're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin volatility because that's the thing that's pretty awesome, which shows to us what's gonna happen. First thing first, guys, be prepared. I know that it's hard. It's been an hour and a half of talking. I know, but it's harder to go on the fucking job. for the small salary. If your salary less than $10,000, it's PT. It's not good. If your salary is $400, it's salary. You're not in the safe place. So younger, smarter, more beautiful person will arrive, or AI will do your job. So to work on someone, it's not to work on yourself, and it's definitely not to be investor and not doing anything. So what do we have here? The volatility showing to me the bullish divergence. It means that when this guy will cross this, like on the last live stream, I showed to people that we need to have the rising of the Bitcoin volatility. Yeah. So when this guy will cross the middle of the channel, we're gonna have impulse. So it means that in the next 5 days, the whole next week, there could be huge manipulation. There could be huge volatility. We have divergence, my friends. Be prepared for this divergence. Be prepared. On the 4-hour time frame, we're going lower, we're going higher. Why lower? Because of this guy. So be prepared, and I will try to tell you that probably the biggest moment down will be either here or here. So we're gonna have big move, and same here, 2 big moves. Volatility goes up, it means that the Bitcoin could give us pretty good movement. If we're gonna use the rule of 18, the developer invented this rule. I'm gonna tell you one thing. Let's say where the price could be, and after an update where the price wouldn't. Give me a second, I will update for you. So what the price could do with that type of the volatility. To show you the conversation with my friend, but I will just take the small thing that I sent to him today. I'm expecting price 85, 87, but bounce back to 91. So with that volatility that we have right now, we can bounce back to 91 once again, and then we could go down lower than 87, higher than 85. That's my expectation for the next couple of days. So the volatility will be the king, and the bigger the volatility, the bigger the Bitcoin dominance. The things that we will show you here, that's my expectations. Why flowers here? Because I think that here will be alt season, summer 2026. But we also have a chance to see it at the end of January. But I don't believe right now, guys. I don't believe that at the end of January we will see the alt season. There's gonna be some kind of pump, 20%, 30%. Some assets will give bigger movement, but no, I think that the alt season will be only summer 2026. Either it's not gonna happen until 2028. Unfortunately, all these guys who's talking 4-year cycle, how many cycles they been trading, how many cycles they've been buying, selling, all these guys who's watching this type of shit. So all these guys who's analyzing the previous things, especially with the technical analysis, all this head and shoulders, double bottoms, all these angles, do you understand you analyzing things that happened before, guessing and hoping that the same thing gonna happen this time? So basically, if the last year there was the winter and in December the temperature was, for example, in the Los Angeles 12 degrees Celsius or 60 degrees Fahrenheit, for example, right now it's almost 30 degrees. If the last year at 5 a.m. you have a boner, it doesn't mean that the next day you have a boner at 5 a.m. If last year somebody gave you, like, I don't know, discount for the car or premium payment or whatever, it doesn't mean that it's gonna happen. Because the probability works same way all the time. We could be here, but also we could be here. That could happen. And the same thinks that that couldn't happen. This is the best investor in the world. Unfortunately, you cannot see her. She's buying. You know what I'm gonna tell you? You can open the long positions on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, anytime from today till then, like anytime, no matter, like $100 to every position, and the months of matcha would be made. So today, tomorrow, you can start doing this any price. Yeah, just don't put a lot of money, okay? $100 in each. Market price, yes. Yes. She's buying better than I am. She's not rushing. If you want, you can wait tomorrow. I think that the price will be low. Bitcoin market cap. So we have this thing that we've been showing you. The 21st of November buying date. Then I wanted the market cap going up. Yeah, so still zero updates. I'll sell. Unfortunately, this buy is not familiar to me, so I'm gonna put this buy here and this buy here. March, May. If you skip this moment, if you're afraid or if you're new to the market, skip it. Wait until March, May. If you're gonna skip March, May, wait and enter the market here, the end of 2026. If you're afraid, if your brains are busy with all this FUD, all this noise, wait until end of 2026. Right now you have all time in the world to watch how accurate we are. That's not financial advices, that's just, I have a vision. That's it. So the Bitcoin market cap, I'm still expecting here. Bitcoin futures. Guys, the only chart was looking really bad. Since here, take a look at this. Since here, we're going down. And I'm still expecting for the Bitcoin futures to be here. I'm still gonna hold it, but also we have 18th of December, yeah? If I'm gonna go in the time frame, 4-hour time frame, guys, the Bitcoin future chart is absolutely different from the Bitcoin USD, definitely different from Bitcoin USDT. USD, this is the United States dollar. USD, this is the fucking Tether. And the futures chart, it's different. So the future chart showing to me that we're gonna have one more bottom here, yeah? Where is that? It's showing to me that we're gonna have one more bottom here. So what can I say to you with the future chart? 15 till 25, there is gonna be the bottom. When we're gonna buy? I start this live stream from that. When this line will be here. So buying here, we're buying here, we're buying here, and we're selling here. No, it's not RSI. That's oscillator like RSI, but it's not RSI. We're buying from the bottom, we're selling from the top. As always. So it means that I need to wait while this guy will be at the bottom. Right now, the chart not working. So it means in the next 4 hours, the price will be opened with the gap. Because right now we are 88,000 and the candle was closed on Friday on 90,000. So there will be a gap. So what do we have right now in our brains? If this guy will open with the candle, which gonna give us gap, yeah? Here is gonna be gap. So gap filled. And the next couple of days, the price will go down. As we said to you, yes? I'm expecting movement down still. I'm still holding my fucking short positions. It means that people will expecting that we're gonna come back here probably until 19 and then Mr. Japan, oh my god, Mr. Japan rising, oh my god, we're going lower. So it means when we're gonna fill the gap, people will think that we're going lower. So that's the thing that I'm showing to you. What's gonna happen? People will open here. I'm gonna leave it red. We're not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy here. Maybe I'm gonna fix part here. If we see manipulation in that part of time, we could see manipulation on the lower time frames. I can fix part here. I'm definitely not gonna short from here. I'm just gonna wait while we're gonna do this movement up. I hope you understand saying to you, I hope. Also for the new people, if you're gonna go and watch other games, you see the circle surrounding my, the color of the circle showing to you like the Easter egg of the, how to say that, what mood the market will have. We're gonna go down, but from the mood is green. Why I put in this green screen right now? Because the mood is green. After this movement down, after last manipulation, we're going up. They've been fucking everyone with the long position for the last 2.5 months. So right now it's time to fuck everyone who's bearish. That's it. Just turning around the person. Like when you baking the meat, you turn it around all the time. Just all the time. So I think that people will think that we're gonna go down here, but no, we're gonna go up. The USDT dominance, guys, this is one of the things that a lot of people missing while analyzing the charts, especially crypto market. So the higher the USDT dominance, it means that there's more USDT on the market. It means that people sold their assets, not convert them, not exchange them. They sold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever other meme coin for the USDT, for the stable coin. The bigger the USDT, the lower the price of the market. So we have the top 10 of the coin market cap, yeah? So it means that they are affecting the price of the USDT dominance the more. So what do we have here, my friends? Nothing was touched from the previous live stream. All the green lines show us when the USDT dominance going up, it means that the market going down. All the green lines. Go back the previous live streams, 2 previous live streams on the YouTube. Just go back there. Elcaro. Why are you not following us? I don't know. It's okay. Don't follow us. Watch this live stream, and this live stream. Watch this live stream. You will see how I'm seeing these green lines. It means that from the green line, the USDT will go up. So right now, what I'm gonna expect, that we're still going higher until this. This is the lowest price of the crypto. This is the lowest price of the crypto. And we have 2 moves. Once again, 17, 20. So that's why if I'm gonna go back here, we still have a chance to see the price going down. We still have a chance to see that movement down. So it means that if I'm analyzing the futures, the market cap, and the USDT dominance, in my opinion, guys, I'm gonna add here. You see this small curve here. You see this small curve here. It means that on the 1 hour time frame, where is the 20? 22nd. 22nd. This is the 4 hour time frame. And then 18. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do these lines, and the conclusion of this 5 minutes analysis will sound like that. My dear friends, if you have money and you want to make profit, that's not financial advice, but if you think about profit, in my opinion, the price of the whole market, especially Bitcoin, will go down until 15, until 18, and the last one will be between 22nd of December. From there, I want the price to go up. When I'm gonna buy, when I'm gonna open big, huge, like I'm opening positions all the time, when I'm gonna open huge position, my friend gonna send you insane screenshot of the profit. When the yellow line of the 4 hour time frame and the yellow line of the daily time frame will be at the bottom. You're gonna receive confirmation and update. Private group. I'm sorry if I'm gonna go and I'm gonna take a look how many likes you gave to me. 1.3 likes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. People who've been boosting this live stream, that you give opportunity to people to like this. Thank you very much. But also there is a lot of people who's making the fake likes. So maybe as always, I'm a good person. I think that if I'm gonna be in the mood and I really would like to give you additional information, I will try to do this. Today I will have a conversation with my friend. I want to buy 911 2025 convertible, brand new car until the end of the year. That I need to make more profit. The easiest way to make more profit is to trade. I want to make Christmas present. I want to make the New Year Eve present for myself. I just sold my Bentley and I'm not putting the money into the market. But maybe I just need to increase the risk management. Increase the risk, lower the risk management. And I need to try to make more money until the end of the year because the car cost 150 and the additional 10% taxes, etc., delivery, it's gonna cost something like 170, 180. It's the huge amount of money, especially for just the fucking toy. Also, I'm thinking about SF90 Ferrari. It's 400, 500,000 for the used 3 years old car. I don't think that it's possible for me to make $400,000 until the end of the year. It's almost impossible, but I will think about that. I'm not definitely gonna try to buy the car in the finance or lease, no. But still, if you're gonna see the notification in the public channel that I'm gonna do live streams on TikTok, on the Twitch, join these live streams. No matter what you do, no matter what you do, you driving, you eating, you shitting, you fucking, you are at the job, you are at the plane, you with someone, tell him like, wait, give me time to listen to this guy, because those streams, they're not gonna be recorded. That's gonna be the live streams to get attention. I'm gonna do the live trading, I'm gonna do the jokes, I'm gonna do the talking, I'm gonna do motivation talks, I'm gonna do bullshit talks, maybe I'm gonna invite a couple of friends. We'll show screen here. We're gonna show screen on with the help of my portable TV studios. We're gonna try. I'm telling you, we're gonna try, but I'm not promising you this. So on those live stream, we can give way more information on the live. If you're gonna miss this, who cares? I don't care if you're gonna miss live stream. I don't care if there's not gonna be live stream. Those of you who's gonna text me a private message, is there gonna be live stream today? You're gonna be blocked. I'm tired. My friend today, the guy who showed you $400,000 only for today, from the morning, he's texting me today, please stop talking with people. Stop. Withdraw access from your person because people disturbing you. Guys, I want to be disturbed by Vitaly Buterin. I want to be disturbed like when I'm fucking, when I'm eating, when I'm shitting. My friend could disturb me, but not just followers. I don't know who you are. Back in the days, back in the early 2000s, I was playing, when I was a kid, I was playing the online game. Is there anyone who knows what the ultimate online means? Is there anyone? Press the plus button in the comments. I was playing with my brother in Ultima Online. This is 2D game. You see the game from the top. It's like basically like GTA 2, Grand Theft Auto 2. But this is the online game. And I was smart enough. I was fucking 11 years old. I was smart enough to create person, to name this person, to create person in male body, and to give the name to this person Eleonora. I undress myself to the underwear. I go to the richest city in that online game, and I was pretending to be girl. Yes, my name is Tanya. My name is, I was telling to people that my name is Tatiana. Yeah, I just joined this game. I have the fucking insanely powerful character. But I was making laughs, jokes from the people who's like, oh, Tanya, oh, I'm gonna jerk off on Tanya. Tanya, can I give you money? Tanya, can I give you clothes? In the online games. I'm not playing games anymore. There is no time. Biggest game in my life, this fucking life. So when I was a kid, I was playing that type of game with people brains. I understand how it works. People who's texting me, oh my god, I have a poor family, I have 3 kids. Like 2 days ago, one lady from Ukraine, like, hey, any presents, any sweet candies or money will be helpful for my kids. I'm opening her page. She lives in the Germany. Basically, the government paying to her. And I was like, why should I give money, candies, sweets to your kids? Maybe I know something about you. Maybe this is behind of these things. There is some story. So what I'm trying to say to you, before I'm gonna do something insanely incredible for you for free, there is people who support and respect us in the private group. Before I'm gonna help them, there is my family, there is my friends. Before I'm gonna help my family and friends, who gonna come first? And only after that, I'm gonna finish my with my hands, with my tongue, with anything else. That's the main lesson of this live stream. Help yourself, then help others. So when people think, Andrew, you are Messiah, thank you very much. I made $30, I made $30,000. For example, my friend made $400,000. Really? Really insane results. But come on. How my profit, how his profit, how somebody else's profit affecting your life? Zero. Andrew, you're so rich. Please donate your money to me. Why? What kind of story you will tell me we didn't saw in the Lord of the Rings, in the Friends TV series, in the fucking Avengers? What kind of story you will tell me which I didn't read back in the school time? My dog dying, she's waiting for me on the train station for the last 10 years and I don't know how to catch her. Like, just type me this story from the books, from the movies, from the TV series, from whatever. The same. I'm in the movie, I'm not trying to help person with cancer in the movie. The woman struggling, the Will Smith, 7 Lives, pretty good movie. Relax today with your family, watch this movie. 7 Lives, Will Smith. Oh my god, oh my god. He's donating his kidneys, he donated his lungs, he's donating his heart. Oh my god. It's a movie. So your life for me is a movie. My life for you, it's a movie. Why you care about the movie? Maybe I'll stop this. Maybe I'm right now in TV studio. Maybe I'm fucking AI. Live your life and understand that before you ask your question, there is the Google. There is the fucking ChatGPT. You can talk to him. What the fucker means. What he's trying to say to me. When you text him to me, is there gonna be live stream? If you're gonna drop the recordings of the live stream, Andrew, it will be way better if you're gonna give the time codes for the live streams because you're talking too much, so we will understand when you're talking about the Ethereum, when you're talking about the Solana. I was like, oh really? It will be better if you're gonna drive your fucking Volkswagen to the party and you'll say, basically the same Volkswagen, can I exchange my Volkswagen Bugatti? Or to the whatever, Porsche. The same thing. People always trying to give advices to people who fully understand everything in this life. I understand. But sometimes people text me, for example, the screenshot about Japan. The guy just texted me this. I didn't ask him and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Because I don't have time to look on this screenshot, etc., etc. Yesterday, I created the new chat with the ChatGPT and I told him, you are the market maker and manipulator. Please analyze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 websites. The biggest websites with the news, which people reading. Please go back on the previous week and analyze the most hyped topics in the X Twitter. And now tell me, what could be the reason for the next 5-6 days crash? Always the same. So I've been talking about raising the price for the algorithm and the private group on 20% in December. Done. I've been talking about that we're gonna exclude the access from people next year. We'll be done. I'm telling you this because we almost finished the app. I have the conversation all days with the developers who's creating app because it's way more easier to promote app and to make billions of dollars with the app. Inside the app, there will be one asset per. I don't know. You just roulette goes and it shows to you right now. You can get the forecast with app, or today you can get access with oil or beef, or I don't know, Nasdaq. Or too many people asking me, does it work with the Indian market? I was like, it works with any asset inside the fucking TradingView. So it means that my brain's working and putting me somewhere when I understand that people will invest money in our project. We're gonna start friends and family, seed round, A round, B round, C round, and then you read in the article, this guy predicted the huge crash back in 2024, and now he's starting his startup. That's it. I have family. The developer has family. My friends has family. I want to get a huge yacht. I want to put everyone there and do this thing, the Wolf of Wall Street. I want to do that life. I want to live that life. I don't know how much time we have. All this nuclear, all this COVIDs, all these fucking retarded aliens are arriving to the Earth. I still never. I was inside the expensive cars. Once my friend showed me he has the Spider and non-Spider Lamborghini. He has Spider and non-Spider Ferrari. He lives in the New York. He put me in those cars to explain me why I am 6.1 feet tall, cannot buy myself the convertible, the Spider Lamborghini Huracan. Why I need to look to the Ferrari, because I'm too tall for the Lamborghini, and I'm gonna be like, this is the roof, and I'm like this, or like this. There is not gonna be space back. There is not gonna be space for my long feet. I still never own the key of that type of cars. I hate rents. The one time I rent car when I was in the Poland, I took the car to drive from Warsaw to Krakow. I didn't pay for this. My friend owed me money, so he said, I have rent, so I will give you the car. And one time I rent car back in 2016 and 2018 here in Los Angeles. The only rents that I did in my life. I don't need. But it means that there is a lot of toys. Still, more than 1 year without the watch. I'm not wasting myself on some stupid watch. I'm not buying watch by market price. I always tell the same things. If you can help me to get the watch, I can help you to make more money from whatever other things. If you have Audemars Piguet, Rolex, Patek Philippe, if you can put me in the list, if you can help me to get the watch. For example, yeah, I'm just gonna let you know. For example, yeah, there is Audemars Piguet watch. You cannot afford watch, but you know the guy who can give a spot there. Why should I pay double the price on the market if I can give you $10,000-$20,000 for the helping me to getting this watch? For example, you cannot. There is a lot of people who cannot afford, but they knew the guy. I have the Christopher. I think he's working in the Audemars Piguet back in 2022 when I have two watches, one golden Audemars Piguet, one stainless steel. I go there and like, can you please adjust the bracelet for me? He said, oh, such a wonderful piece of watch. Oh my God, etc., etc. And I have his contact, but I can't afford to text to the person like, hey, maybe I can do something. I'm not the type of person. I can't. I just can't. I cannot in that type of conversation like, oh, such a wonderful baby. Oh my God, here's the flowers for you. I hate all these games. Then you need to go to the Hermes store and suck these dicks and buy everything. I cannot afford this. You understand this? I cannot afford. Not in my head mentality, not in my wallet. I cannot spend $80,000 to buy one Birkin bag. But also, I will never buy something by market price. I will work while some girl will struggle to pay friend, but some guy give her this Birkin, and I was like, hello, Mr. Andrew, nice to meet you. I can buy your bag at the price of money. So the same happens all the time. Why I'm telling about the new 911? You think I'm retarded to go to the dealership and buy by the sticker price or higher than sticker price? No, I have a friend who just got his delivery and he said, I'm fucked up, I need money, can you pay cash for my car? And he said to me, I still owe to the bank 1,000. His down payment was something like 5,000-7,000, and he's telling to me, I will give you this car which I bought for 174, something like that, the sticker price, MSRP 170 something plus 200 miles on odometer. He said, I'm gonna give it to you for 147 plus taxes. I was like, let me think about it. Before the end of the year, before the car will be, car is brand new, before the car turn 1 year old, I'm gonna call him and say 130 right now, I'm bringing the cash, I'm sending the wire, I'm doing whatever you want. He live in the middle of the United States, like in the center America. I don't know what type of problem he has, but I'm always doing that. I'm not using people problems. That's not a problem that you have problem. Go and trade in your car, they will offer you 130. Go trade in your car, they will offer you 110. Ducati, Harley Davidson, brand new motorcycles, half the price. Half the price, that's it. Why should I pay whole amount of money? I can afford this, but in my brains I cannot. If I can save, someone will say, oh, you are greedy. Maybe. I never saw that my father taking his wallet, checkbook, or sending me $10,000, like, buy yourself something. Almost every person whom I know who's rich as fuck build and create his wealth, his bank account by himself. I know a lot of people who has rich parents, rich friends, who's stealing money, who's corrupted as fuck. That's their life. My life is my life. If I would have opportunity, maybe I will do the same. If I would have rich parents, maybe I will do the same. I'm just gonna... I don't know. I don't know. I cannot restart this fucking game and create the female body Eleonora chart. I cannot do this. And you cannot do this. So it means that I don't have opportunity, I don't have time to cry, to argue, to tell, oh my God, life is so unfair, why he has this and I don't have this. The only thing that I can do and I should do, how he can afford to buy this. That's it. Is there any way to buy this fucking bag, to buy this fucking Apple Vision, to buy this fucking laptop, to buy this fucking phones? I made the live stream for Americans a couple of days ago and explained them how getting discount from the Apple stores. Apple store fucked up as hell once with my girlfriend. When they made one more fuck up, the manager, the general manager, was like, oh yeah, it's bad. We do for you. I was like, gift card. Half amount of money, gift card. He was like, okay. Okay. That's it. It's easy. And I'm gonna explain you one more thing. One more thing. All this Jake Pauls, Logan Pauls, kids, all these influencers, no matter whom you following, they do one great thing. They doing what they love. No matter what you do, you painting, you driving, you screaming, you singing, fucking, you do something. If you're doing something that you love, you're gonna have money. But all these influencers, they doing that online by showing themselves. Fortunately, for the year and a half, we got 12,000 followers here in the YouTube. That's insane. That's so fucking insanely small amount of followers. For the year and a half, we got only 50,000 followers in the TikTok. We've been blocked in TikTok 4 or 5 times. And the only social media that's rising insanely way better than us is the Instagram. 117,000 and 20,000 for the last 10 days. 20,000 for the last 10 days. Maybe like 30,000 for the last months. So it means that we are right now in the place where every next video will give us more. You know why? Because people finding us, people checking the information given, people, oh my God, the most popular message, finally I found you, how bad that I didn't find you back in the dates. I lost that amount of money, but right now I'm making money with you. So we fully understand how it works, fully understand. If you're asking where we're trading, link on the cryptocurrency exchanges in the description. Just read this fucking description, that's it. We already think upfront. So the only thing that I need to do is starting Twitch, is starting to promote myself. And right now I have the small office. I don't know, like maybe 100 square feet, something like that. The only thing that I need to do is to start promoting myself. And when it's gonna happen, unfortunately, I will turn myself to the worst nightmare of conversation person. I'm gonna put myself in the boots which I was avoiding for the last 10 or 15 years of my life. Because I'm tired to be nice guy. People using nice guys. I'm tired to be honest. I'm tired to be open-minded, I'm tired to be like open store. 24/7 people just texting. That's my fault, but I'm telling thank you to everyone who's texting to us. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It's way more easier than to do anything else in my life. So I need to turn on the business mode to start doing live streams. And as soon as you're gonna see my ass in the Ferrari or whatever other car, mark my words, it's not the same Andrew. It's not the same Andrew for anyone else. It's not the same Elcaro trade. It's not the same anything, because we all have only one life, and when we're wasting our life on something that people do not respect, do not appreciate. When I have 3,000 viewers, you saw how I was happy. Thank you very much, Brandon. I think that it was your achievement. Thank you very much. You pressed the button boost. I even wear this button. Now, guys, before I'm gonna end this, I'm gonna go to total. There is still totals. Right now, when I sold a huge amount of, I understand that I need to give people more perspective of the things that we are giving to the people. I need to show people who I am. Because as I said, I really trying to do that. I really try. We almost finished the PDF file of the lesson. We're gonna try to make free 3-hour lesson about how to trade, how to use, what the risk management, what the strategy, how to scale, how to average your position, how to close position. I give you a promise. I'm gonna contact my assistant tomorrow. I'm gonna ask her if everything is ready, because I gave her notes last week. I sent her files. I will show you. Give me a second. So here's the Julia. I will open the file if you don't mind right now. So here is the Julia. Here's the file which I sent to her. She said, okay, I understand. I will translate it to you. Show translate. Take a look at this. I sent her a voice message because I was ignoring her for probably 2 weeks. And she said, okay, I won't say, because I said to her, like in this message, like, if you want, you can say fuck off, Andrew, because I was ignoring her for 2 weeks. Okay, we'll wait. I understand everything. Restore your energy. We'll wait for you feedback on the presentation, and then we'll start. So basically 5th of December, I sent her two presentations, 2 PDF files was given to Ukrainians. They are insanely big. We're talking about everything. How I start myself, how I start my journey with the mining. Here is my post in Facebook, the post where I'm selling in 2018, selling my mining firms. I was doing a lot of things. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna explain to you. Here's my trades back in the dates, like 7 Bitcoins. Take a look at the price. Take a look at the price. October 2020, plus 7,000 for overnight. I'm showing the P&Ls, like I'm gonna show to people how the Amazon, how the Bitcoin react, Google, how the Chevron, like the huge, insane, huge. This is the first one, and there is the second one, day 1, day 2. I don't have time to do 2 days of the lessons, but I will do one lesson for you. I'll explain you everything. So the only way to receive notification is to subscribe on our public group. The first link in description. This is the public group. Please do that. Because I wouldn't have time to, hey guys, sorry, can you come here? There is not going to be recordings. Every time for the last 4 or 5 years when I've been doing the lessons for the Ukrainians, there is no recordings at all. So right now we're going to take a look at the totals. The last thing to do. So from the previous live stream, sell, buy, sell. Touching anything, my friends, I'm not touching anything, and I'm not gonna touch anything. That's why this live stream about talking, about feeling, about manipulation, about everything, because nothing changed. Sell here, buy here. Everything that I'm gonna move, this line here, still 16, but 8 hours before. Be prepared, total 1. Everything, whole crypto market showing to us this. The total shows me that anytime, today, tomorrow, take a look at this. Today I sent the voice message to the private group when I woke up. I said, guys, any minute the price will turn around and we're gonna have pump. Any minute. Just be prepared for this. That's why I have my fix YouTube sounds bad. I cannot fix that. I cannot. I don't know why it sounds bad. I don't know. Sounds bad, and it sounds bad. Read through my links. So you see the divergence. You see the squeezy channel. This movement up will be insanely big. 5-10% movement. Be prepared. Not so many people stay until the end of the live stream. And I don't give a people will watch the video about new Mercedes S-Class, then they gonna rip their ass and stretch their houses for the next couple of years to only have a chance maybe to order Uber Black to drive to the dealership and take a look at this car, but they don't have time to watch 2 hours of the live stream. Fine with me. So this guy, I will show you. This guy, insanely big. So that shows me the total one, not everything. I think we're gonna go up, we're gonna go down, and from here we're gonna up again. So right now, be prepared. This divergence will price up. What the daily time frame show? Oh, sorry for that. Sorry guys. This is the 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys. Sorry. I will do this. That's everything that you have. And you always fight. Do you understand that? Guys, sorry, this is the 1 hour time frame. Sorry. I'm sorry. Why I moved this line? I'm so sorry. Mr. Andrew. Okay, now on the 1 hour time frame, what do we have? Take a look at this. The total will go up, then we go down. Sorry for that. It means that we're gonna have impulse up right now, then we're gonna have impulse down. Still, this is 1 hour time frame. So it means that the 1 hour time frame is this 16 and 18. Then we have one more here, but before that, here is the total which showing to me buy. That's it. I'm pretty sure that we will see price
somewhere like here. I'm pretty sure that we will see price of the total here. Total 2. Nothing gonna change. Nothing gonna change. This line. Take a look at this. Red candle. Insane. Okay, sell. Guys, I don't remember when was the last update. Maybe it was at the end of November. I'm not doing updates. Why should I? You're not gonna trade total 2. I'm just showing to you. So here it is. The price still 15. Total 3. Still, take a look at this. Go back on the previous live stream. Buy, sell, buy. Bottom, movement up, top, movement down, top, movement down, almost bottom, movement up. Fine with me. So we have more buying on 16, and others the same. Sell. Take a look. We sell in slightly before that, like, or after that. When we are on top. 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 We're buying where we at the bottom. Buying here. But okay, I'm showing you the line, and this week somebody will text. You said that the price will go down until 17th of December, but we was at the bottom on 16th of December. Mr. Please, where is my money? There was the guy back. If you're gonna go in the TikTok or whatever other social media, swipe to the October, to the beginning of the social media. The whole September, October, the beginning of November, I've been talking here in New York, in Los Angeles, 4th of November. There was because I was telling about 4th and 11th of November, buy anything. Showing to us that from 4th and 11th of November, the price skyrockets. There was the guy who said, I didn't vote on 4th, and on 11th the price was higher. I didn't vote on 11th, so it's your fault that I missed this pump. I was like, who said that? If I'm gonna fuck your wife, it's not gonna be my fault. If I'm gonna punch someone in the face, that's not gonna be my fault. It means that you are fucking stupid. Your wife lay down with me. It means that you did something or you didn't do something, so your wife want to find someone else to fuck her. If you receiving fist in the face, it means either this is 1 chance of 100 that there was some crazy guy who just punched you in the face, or you did something wrong to the person who punched you in the face. Or we are at the octagon. This is the UFC 411. We are fighting for the money. So there is no reason to receive fist in the face just because it's Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday. Andrew, I'm still expecting your fist in my face. Yeah, thank you. No, there is always the reason. So people who's not doing or doing something and then texting me, it's your fault. I was like, yeah, fault that I'm not fucking filtering the fucking persons. That's really my fault. I'm expecting and the last but not least, Bitcoin, where the price wouldn't be. Give it a second, please. You wanna tell me that there is no sound? Раз. А что случилось? What's happening? Why? What the fuck?
Can I understand? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this was the... It still was something that's not giving you information. Sorry for that. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. No sound, no sound. Get the most like his face blue smiling. It means something. No. I'm so sorry. You know what I did? I will show you. I have this cable, which I've been using for the whole time. This cable. I bought this one. 2 because I have a couple of others. It's not the first time with this cable fucks me with the sound. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. Thank you for showing me this. I will fix that. The things that I've been talking before, it was something motivative. It was something about how people forgetting about actions, forgetting to buy, forgetting to sell. Sorry for that. If we're gonna talk about the total or whatever, most of the time, I hope that you heard about the USDT total. The only that you need to know, the only thing is the lines which I'm showing to you, because there is always yellow line which helps us to buy or sell. Unfortunately, you don't have this line. So before I'm gonna finish, I will show you once again. Yeah, so we have this bottom. We have this bottom on the total 2. We have this bottom on the total 3. And we have this bottom on the others. It means that we're gonna have pretty good movement up. If I'm gonna go through every asset the same on the daily time frame, when this daily time frame will turn around, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna happen in the next couple of days. And this guy will turn around. Let me show you on any time frame, not any time frame, any asset. Take a look at this. We're buying, yeah? Here's the bottom going up, the bottom going up, the bottom going up, the bottom going up. So last time, if you're gonna go and watch July, August, September, it was insanely good months. We showing to people that the daily time frame are turning around. So it means when this guy will turn around, in my opinion, we will have an opportunity to see 10-15% movement on every asset. I'm not gonna say that you're gonna be in profit, you're gonna change your life. I'm just telling to you that I'm gonna buy. When the guy will turn around, I'm gonna buy more. And I'm gonna hold until January. That's it. The total showing me this, the total 2 showing, yeah, the 2 showing to me that there would be one more bottom. It means that if you're gonna remember, you remember that we take a look on the Bitcoin futures here. The bottom of the Bitcoin futures showing me 22nd, yeah. The bottom something else, maybe Ethereum, no, Solana, no, but okay, that's fine. The total 2 showing to me everything excluding Bitcoin, that probably that the Bitcoin will be in the flat movements, range move, the dominance will go up, and that means that the altcoins will go down here. The altcoins could go lower than the Bitcoin. Once again, they just fucking us. My friends. And let's relax. Let's, yes. Kiss me here. Kiss me there. Oh. We need to be protected. So let's use the condoms. That's it. The fuck is inevitable. Let's use the condoms. Let's protect ourselves. Let's lube our asses. We cannot do anything. Yeah, we can open short position. We can make money from short position. But if you don't understand what you're doing, don't try to... You cannot avoid this. Let's say like that. So out this bottom here, and then pretty huge movement up. Total 3, the same, you see? Then huge movement up. So what I'm trying to say to you, please don't be afraid. Yes, we're gonna have bottom probably for the whole next week with all ups and downs, 17 plus minus 2 days, and then 20ish, 21st, 20. Right now, I cannot give you the perfect update about 20s. I cannot give you the perfect update. The only thing that shows me 20s is the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's 18. It's 18. The 20ish. 1 hour time frame showing me 20ish. Yeah. 20ish here, and where is that? Total 3 not. The Bitcoin, give me a second, Bitcoin, here, 20ish, Ethereum, 20ish, Solana 20ish. So be prepared, one more manipulation there. Maybe because of Japan, but the only thing that I'm showing to you, early live stream, I opened long position. Give me a second. Thank you very much. Solana minus 1%, Ethereum minus 4%, Bitcoin plus 0.5%. Who cares? Even if I'm gonna go on the minus 100%. The only thing that I'm trying to show to you if you are prepared for one more bottom, and if we have, for example, 1, 2, and then 3, if we have 1, 2, and then 3, just give yourself a space to buy more. 15, 18, 21st. At plus minus 1 day. That's it. That's everything that you need to know. So I'm gonna finish this live stream with where the price will be. And the first but not least, the last but not least. Can I not punch myself in the face, please? This mistake. The first would be Mr. Bitcoin. We're making a screenshot. The things that developer posting in the group. We made a screenshot. We're posting this screenshot. This is the same screenshot from the private group. So 525 people saw this screenshot. And the only thing that I need to do, is put where the price wouldn't be until 19th of December. So won't be here until 19th. 68%. We're not gonna be on 83. %68% that we're not gonna be here, and 68% that we're not gonna be on 100. Before 19, my friend, before 19. Here. No, 100. Okay. Then we need to say where we're definitely not gonna be. So those of you who's like, oh, we're flying to the moon, forget about it. We're not gonna be on 109. It's impossible. It's impossible. It means that 55% probability that the price will be here. Here the price could be. But 19 showing to us that we're gonna be here, yes? In my opinion, the 19, the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look like this. 4-hour time frame showing to us that 19 will be here. Here. So I do not expect that we're gonna be too high here. But also, it shows us we're definitely not gonna go until 19 to 74. Yeah. 74 is impossible before 19. Once again, it's impossible. There is only 5% chance to see price here. But it means that probably price, delete this one, probably the price can I make it, I don't know, like the blue? Price could here. Too big. Yeah, 74.83, like 12%. 12% difference. Okay, 11. But if I'm gonna calculate from here, almost 12. That's how it works. If the price go down on 10%, it doesn't mean that the price should come back on 10%, so you need the break even. No, it's different. The price percent moves down is absolutely different about the price moves up. Think about it. Think about it. So we have this, yeah? And I'm telling you that we could be here. We're definitely gonna be here. So 87, 85, it's like, we're gonna be there. And then we could have a chance to see one more deeper price. Won't be here, won't be here. In my opinion, this yellow will be only in March. Where's the fucking March? Why it's not showing me? please help me. March, April, yeah? Where's the March? April, here. In my opinion, that's gonna be March, April. I need to delete this one. I need to delete this one. I'm gonna stick to that plan. I'm gonna stick to that plan. That we're definitely gonna be here. Je suis ni confirmation. Definitely. Definitely. Hope I spell it correctly. Be here. 68%. We're not gonna be here. 95% we're not gonna be here. But we could be here. We could be, and once again. And we could be here. I think that I'm not gonna show you. Give me a second. Oh, you know what? You know what? For those of you who respect us, thank you very much. You know what he sent? You know what he sent? The gold. Where the gold wouldn't be, my friends, my dear friends. Let me say where the gold wouldn't be. Yes, that's the thing that I'm thinking is gonna happen with the gold, but okay, he gave a lot of information. Thanks God. God save developer. I need to do only this thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Copy, and then gold. So we have these lines, yeah? Where the gold wouldn't be. $41. And then I'm gonna tell you what date. 41 and 45. It's not 19. I will change the date. Give me a second. And we're definitely not gonna be 47. And we're probably not gonna be 4,000. But you know what the date? $26. So if we have this, that the price wouldn't be here, price wouldn't be here until 26. Here is the 26. So I'm gonna stick to the plan which I drove for you before that the price will go up, but the only thing that we need to do, so I'm expecting price here, yeah? From here, I'm expecting price. Could be here before 26. That's it. That's the thing that I drove. I'm showing you the how the price will react. For me, it will be way enough to see price here. But the developer, more smart person, he's calculating that the price wouldn't be here and wouldn't be here before 26. Right now, we're gonna go further because he sent not only gold, he sent something more. Do I need to show you a screenshot? Can I avoid sending you screenshots? The next one, S&P. So we have that the price wouldn't be 65, 64, and here the top 71, 72. What if before it's 26? Yeah, I think that we're gonna go on the new high. Yeah, I think that that could be. So the same thing that I made on the yellow line. I think that ATH 7,000 plus. Yeah. January, February, I think that all-time high could be. And before 26th of December, the price wouldn't be here. But still, I'm thinking that we're gonna go higher. We're gonna go in the lower time frame. I still think that we're gonna open with the movement down for the next couple of days before 15. We're gonna go down, and then Japan, like everything that's gonna be manipulation. The Asia will woke up in the next 3 hours. It's gonna put price lower. Then the London will, I don't know, stay flat, and the New York will put price lower. That's it. That's my opinion. What do we have? Even the texting me, guys. When in the live streams, I'm in on the not disturb, so only my family and my friends could give me a call. It's impossible for me to give notification about that. Just so sorry for that. I think it's way than enough information. Sorry for the microphone. I'm gonna throw away this cable. This is one of my favorite cables. You know, I'm using them all the time. I have a lot of them with my different cameras, and they not good, Mr. Kabel, not good. No, Mr. Kabel. One day I love this. Right now, I need to avoid them. I think it was good live streams. Sorry if I offend someone. Sorry if you don't like the way that I'm talking, or you don't like the way that I'm showing you information. Sorry if we discussing your assets. Sorry if something goes wrong. I don't give a fuck. I'm just saying sorry so you will calm down. You know, when you did something wrong, but you, yes, once we were kids, one small kid, like 5 years old kid, punch in the back more bigger kid, but still this bigger kid was younger than me and my brother. So this huge guy, he was tall. He was just tall, but he was young. He started to scream at the small kid, "Hey, why you punch me in the back?" And we was like, it's unfair. Why are you screaming at him? Because it was funny. And we said that this guy, this tall guy, should apologize to the kid. And he said, "I'm sorry." We said, no. Say, "I'm sorry that you punched me in the back." Yeah, we all been assholes. We all been bullers, or somebody were bullying us. It's life. It's the communication. And the only way is to be happy is to be honest. Honest with yourself. I'm trying to be honest with myself. I really don't care if somebody don't like the content. I'm not glad that the microphone didn't work. Right now I have this headphones turned on and I hear everything. Like even when they're lying on the table, I'm still hear that there is the sound. I have money to hire someone that's gonna help me, who gonna sit here with headphones. Andrew, headphones died. Why should I do this? If I'm gonna do this, like for example, people in the private group, they're always like, "Is there gonna be a stream today for us?" I was like, I don't know. If I'm gonna be in the mood. Because in the live streams on the private group, I'm doing them only when I want to do them. I love this lighting, I like this setup, I love everything that I'm doing, like I love the quality, I love everything. But it's not always that I have time, opportunity, or Chanel logo. That's probably from the back. I don't have mood, let's say, to do that. So if I'm gonna start doing this, that's gonna be paid. People gonna pay for everything, for my assistant, for my technique, for my operator, for my editor. My friend told me today, like, people still did that, how precious information that you given. In 2 hours, he sent me $400,000 profit. That's best confirmation of the things that we're doing right. So basically, while I'm talking to you right now, I can make trades. That's it. I'm just going 5-minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If I'm wrong, who cares? Who cares if I understand how to deal with that? If this bottom is not my bottom, then means the next bottom will be the bottom. I just need to put money on the next bottom and wait until we're gonna be on top. Mostly people with talk, they just watching how the price moves. That's it. They just making screenshot. Let me check my position. Big positions, not $100 position. Mr. Big Position. Give me a second, please. Basically, you can log off from the live stream. Okay, like right now I'm watching on 3.5, 0.8, it's 7.3, 10.6, and 1,000 there, $11,600. It's waiting enough. It's waiting enough for the week, for the months. But no, Mr. Fish. Maybe Ukrainians saw this funny joke about Mr. Fish. You're not going there, Mr. Fish. That's funny. I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you very much. Thank you to those of you who's been boosting the live stream. Brandon, tell me how expensive this. I will give people money to boost the live stream. Guys, that's insane. That's insane. I want to create the team. Like 10 people or 20 people getting access to the private group for boosting our live stream. I will figure out. I think that there is the options to create like bonuses for people who helping us to get the boost. I need to spend some time to read this because I'm pretty sure that there is something like you will get the bonus from the content creator for the boosting. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it because for the last year to talk to 100, 200, 300 people, it's cool. It's cool. Not every university, doctor, professor, or whatever whom teacher has the audience in 300 people. And basically 99% of the university in the world, they making theoretical people. In theory, you're gonna be rich, but still you need to work on someone who's rich. That's why I close almost every business I have in my life. I had back in Ukraine like hundreds of people who've been working on me. And even my chauffeur driver, I given to him the books, please read this book, you fucking stupid person. Like, why you working at me on $50 per day? You drive my ass, you driving ass of my girlfriend, you go into this. Why? You young, you free, you smart. Just try to understand that money should work. You don't need to work. There was the challenge. 3-person was fighting who gonna be my driver. Not fighting on the fist. They've been like arguing who's gonna be my driver because I'm trying to explain to people with whom I work. For example, my CEO of one of my companies, which I closed back in the beginning. My CEO right now, he's in the Poland. He's traveling all around the world, and he said, like, dude, you met me in Ukraine. We have the city Chernihiv. It's the closest city to the Belarus, and it's a beautiful city, but still it's like the best city to be born, and definitely not the best city to live if you're not from somebody who's making huge money there. So he was the photographer who was working, let me say, something like $10 for 4 hours of photography, and then you need to edit these photos. I met him, I offered him work. In 3 months or 4 months, he was one of the most expensive photographers in the Kyiv. You know why? Because he was talented, he was young, he was energy. And I start to making a promotion for him. I start to creating the vision of the best photographer. I start to make marketing on him. So when the people was calling to me, hey, how much it costs to receive the photographer from your company? I was like, 100 per hour. They said, oh, okay, do you have the best one? The best one costs 100. They was like, how good he? How good is he? How good he are? I don't know how to say it properly. I don't give a fuck. My mistakes will be covered with the money. I make mistakes, money here, money here. Like that's it. The best thing not to do mistakes in the relationship. The best thing not to do mistakes in your friends, relationship. The best thing not to do mistake on the road, with the guns, with the fire. That's the mistake. If I'm stupid with the not my native language, that's fine. I always can hire who's gonna translate it. A couple days ago we go to the Meta store where they have this new Meta glasses. I said that they have previous one, but the new has display here. So they made us the demo testing of these glasses. And inside of these glasses, there is the fucking thing that making translation for you. There is the thing making the subscription for you of the conversation. Insane thing. I don't need that, but still, pretty good thing. If I have a call with someone on my iPhone, the Siri could translate everything. The same with the sound, etc. We are close enough to put the Neuralink in our heads. That's it. That's the end. But unfortunately, like I'm talking to my friend, like I'm gonna buy this robot from the Tesla. It's soon gonna be dropped on the market. I want this thing back in my house. And not everyone could afford these robots, these Neuralink things. It's not gonna be free. Why? Like people telling me like, Andrew, you have money. Why you selling access to the group for $100? I was like, first thing first, it cost $120, not 100. You know why? Because why should I pay taxes for you? You gonna pay for my taxes. Inflation, I'm gonna say inflation. That's it. Why we increase the price? Because we're paying taxes for this. Why should we pay taxes for this? You paying taxes. That's it. That's how it works. So I'm telling to him, this is the first thing. But the second thing, explain me, the richest person in the world, Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk. I didn't saw that my girlfriend receiving the packages for free. Delivery is not free. The storage is not free. He's the richest person in the world. He doesn't give a fuck. That's why he's rich. Tesla. When I bought the Tesla for my girlfriend, I didn't saw that they offer me free internet there or free full self-driving, or they was charging me for electricity for charging the car. But yes, there is the cars which are free supercharge until the end of the year, free supercharge for 2,000 miles, free supercharge until you're gonna sell your car. Always. There was a lot of people, hey, I missed the Black Friday, can I do this right now? No. People think that they came to me and I'm struggling, oh my God, please, oh my God, what can I do for your money? No, I just don't want to do something for free. People with the small brain, with the stupid small IQ, they do not realize that if you're smart, if you have information, if you have skills, there is people, for example, when I was a kid, I hate the football. I never played football. My brother was in with the football. When you are a kid, you play in football for free. When somebody notices you or you have a parent who's pretty smart, oh my God, he has a skill. I'm gonna put him in the football club. I'm gonna put him to the football courses, like whatever. Yeah, like he gonna increase his skills and he gonna be like Messi. There is still people who, if I ever have a chance to play with the Messi or Ronaldo, I will play for free. And there is people who are gaining millions and millions for 1 minute of the game. But poor people come on the field, come on the stadium, yes, yes. But also there is fucking lodge, there is suits, there is fucking places where people eating caviar and not shaking because it's cold. They not trying to put the small bottle of the alcohol. There is people driving on the stadium, Maybachs, Rolls Royce, flying on the private jets. They don't care. They own this team. They could call to this player. They could go to the sauna with him. There is always people who's playing football for free, and there is always people who's making money by playing football, and there is always people who's making insane, enormous money on the bettings, on the advertisement. For example, the next time here will be the launch of the cryptocurrency exchange. They paying me. Today, you know what I did today? I saw that the one guy in Ukraine, he's way smaller than I am. He's way smaller. He's smart, but he's smaller, like in the meaning of the actions. He showed that the cryptocurrency exchange gave him the present. The first thing that I did at the beginning, I sent to the cryptocurrency exchange the link on this blog. Where is my present? Probably tomorrow when he gonna get back to the job, he will text me. Andrew, we talked with our cryptocurrency exchange. I think that this year was pretty insane. We can give you, I don't know what. That's it. The last time when I stopped working with one cryptocurrency exchange, they sent the manager here to Los Angeles. I told him that I have time here, here, and here. He was busy by traveling around the California because he was first time here. Then he's texted me, I'm free today. I was like, good boy, I'm in New York. He said, yeah, unfortunately we cannot meet. I need to discuss, so you will come back to work with us because we noticed that you stopped working with us. Like you move all your money from the currency exchange. You're not trading. You're not doing anything. I was like, yeah, I don't want to do this. I don't feel myself with you. I don't feel that my money is safe because you're always asking some stupid questions. I already passed KYC. You're still asking me every fucking month the stupid questions. I've been working with you for 4 long years, and they tell to me, yeah, can I leave the merch for you? Leave 2 bags. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Maga. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your present, but come on. People think that they... Nick, if you're still watching, that's funny thing. That's funny thing. Do you remember when the beat was trying to block your account? This is the huge way. They was trying to block your account with some stupid questions. I said to you, hey, please, we need to show this, and this. And they put in the white list. They said to me, can we send him the merch? I was like, what? Just for apologize, I was like, you think that the person who's making billions of dollars of trading value, he care about the logo t-shirt? You know what Bluffin said? If this whale gonna trade with us, we're gonna send him charter, like private jet. We're gonna give him yacht. We're gonna pay for his hotel. I was like, I'm gonna talk to him. That's true. Like the difference between cryptocurrency exchange. How one want badly, so you will trade with them because you're making the huge amount of money. You pay huge fees for them. And how others like, can we send the merch? I was like, for what? You think that this person will ever fucking wear this merch? The one cryptocurrency exchange, they was, you probably will know this, the F1 sponsored by Bybit, OKX, Oracle, too many companies sponsor them. So one company sent us McLaren team t-shirt branded. And my girlfriend said, wow, it's nice. I was like, yeah, it's nice. It looks really like design piece of clothes. She said, I'm going to take it when I'm going to the bed. Like people think that I'm going to wear it, that I'm going to promote like, hey, God, Binance is the fucking shithole. No, Binance is the fucking shithole. It's going to fuck you up. A lot of cryptocurrency exchange. I've been using all of them. But not all of them is client oriented. Not all of them. For example, this my friend, he's making a lot of things. I'm talking to the Bybit for the whole month. So his There is like VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5, VIP Supreme. I've been talking to them. Can we lower the fees so he will pay less? Because, like, you know, sometimes I'm telling to my friend, bro, put the limit order. The limit order, limit orders, you paying less fees. He's buying, selling by market. He don't give a fuck about this, because when you're making $4,000 and you paying $40 fees, it's nothing. When you're making $4 million and you paying $40,000 fees or funding fee for holding your position, you don't care about this. You looking forward to the huge money. But still, I was like, hey guys, he's paying insanely enormous amount of commission to you. Can we lower the price? Because this cryptocurrency exchange has 0.1% less fees than you have. Yes, I know that I'm manipulating them. I know that. But basically, the same thing happens all over the world, like all over the world. If you respect me, if you respect my clients who came with me, please prove it to me. There was the guy, I don't remember the cryptocurrency exchange, something like 175 in the coin cap or whatever. There was the guy, he said like, we're gonna pay you enormous amount of money if you're gonna promote us. I was like, guys, you have $10 million of assets on your exchange. You think that someone will put one more million? You don't have liquidity. You don't have like market makers on your order book. You asking to promote you? There is a lot of influencers who's wearing t-shirts, who's wearing like, every time when someone came to us, hey, how much cost the promotion? I was like, $30,000. They said, but this guy with the 1 million followers, he did the promotion for $5,000. So that's his income. Go there and promote yourself with the $5,000. I'm not gonna move a finger if you're not gonna pay me $30,000. Then every one of them who's telling me, yeah, we agree on $30,000, I'm telling to them only one thing. This is the wallet. Send your money. If you are the scam, I'm gonna make my own analysis. I'm gonna make my own research. If you're the scam project, I'm just gonna leave money for me. Zero people for the whole year did that. The next time, right now, we're growing. The next time when somebody gonna text us, hey, this meme coin, this exchange, this card, this, can you do the fake interview with person about, for example, I don't know, ZK? I was like, yeah, but I'm gonna show the truth, what our algorithm shows. If it shows that we're gonna go down, I will tell that we're gonna go down. Next time when somebody gonna ask us about the advertisement, we're gonna say $50,000. You know why? Because we're not looking forward to do that. There is no monetization on the TikTok. There is, like yesterday, we have one video which gained 1 million plus views for one day. My friend on the dinners, he was like, how much monetization you have? I'm not using monetization on the TikTok and Instagram. People think that Instagram will promote you because of the monetization. No, it's not working like that. Monetization is always good. But when you're not putting for yourself the target, I'm gonna be rich like Mr. Beast because he's spending all his money on the content. He's the one unique person in the world who was so fucking insanely crazy by doing content for 10 years in a row, investing every fucking penny in his content. And now he's the billionaire. It's hard to give everything to make people laugh, I need to feed my dog, by the way. I need to go. It's hard. I'm just telling you, it's really hard. But he's one of the kind. So that's why I'm telling to you, we're trying to find influencers who are making the content. We're trying to find people who are ready to do live streams constantly. 16 years old, 20 years old, you are hype, you're fucking, I don't know. Like you see how many people with disability in popularity. That's insane. That's insane. But still, most of the time, people using them. I've been showing to people in Ukraine how to become a millionaire in 1 year. In 1 fucking year. yes, of course, it will be way more interesting to say how to get the $1 million in days. It will be more clickable article. 1 year. When I started doing $0, $0, promotion $0, advertisement $0, team who works with me $0. The market absolutely new. I start to showing it to people in Ukraine. Zero everything. The new market absolutely. You know what? Not revenue. The after tax gain for the $3 million, something like that. Yeah, sometimes I'm showing it to people like you can do this the same. The guy on this, like every time when I'm going on the street, there is the people who's asking me, why are you doing these videos? Why are you doing these videos? I was like, just to show people. Yeah, but why you not selling the advertisement? Why you not that? Why you not doing? I was like, for what? To make more money from this. Give me a second. My girlfriend texted me. Give me a second. My friend called me. I will call him back. I'm telling to people like, hey, dude, I have a couple of friends. They have 15, 17, 20 million followers in TikTok. I was like, how much money you make per month? He said $10,000, $20,000. In the best months, when I have the good monetization from the YouTube, it's $30,000. I was like, with 15 million followers? He said, yeah. The guy, he's a really good person. I love him. He's my close friend. He has maybe like 25 million followers all over the social media. Give me a second, please. Oh, so today... Котик Віталь сказав, що він не може сьогодні, я тому не буду сьогодні знімати. Він працює. I have a guy who helping me to do the video on the Rodeo Drive. He was the one of the friends who moved here. I know him since 2016. He's a smart guy. He worked with me back in the days in Ukraine. He moved here. And I've been telling him, hey dude, just try to do that. For the last 3 years, he's been working in the DoorDash, in Uber. He's been working as the nanny for the kids in some family. He's been selling cars. You know what he sent to me right now? He's doing moving for people. People choose to be poor. People prefer to be stupid, to stay in the... Like, nobody was born smart except Stephen Hawking, Einstein, or developer. Developer, I think he was born smart. You need to... I don't remember how, when you go into the gym, you lifting weights, what are you doing? You training yourself, yeah, to train your brains. People choose to be stupid. People choose to be, that's only your choice to be stupid and poor. That's it, nobody else. Nobody else. Okay, that it means that I'm free until the end of the day. I'm gonna go with my girlfriend for a walk, for a talk, for a matcha, for something like that. Thank you very much. Thanks. I love you guys. I'm telling to you, I love you guys. But I'm sorry, I not love you in the way your mother loves you. I love you like, okay, thank you very much. Like, you know, like the Shakira from the stage. Whatever, we're meant together. I'll be there and you'll be here. Thank you very much. Goodbye. That's it. We can make photos, we can laugh, we can talk, we can drink, but on the distance. That's it. As I said to people, as I'm telling to people all the time, I'm like the artist. I'm doing something. That's my performance. I'm trying to express myself. Like I never gonna watch OnlyFans or whatever other people who's making money, because the only question, either you stealing from people or you making money with people. That's it. Everyone.